19th day of April 2022. You're the trader and Ponyankoponasi. We've gone for the Good Fridays and the break, and then the Sunday, Resurrection Day, Easter Monday, all the beaches filled up in Accra, and we are back Tuesday to work for Mother Ghana, ourselves, and then our families and loved ones. But someone I may say all these days, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, what's the most I do trust like bonsem pa onyamia ebi okosunsu ebi de nyamia so kwasunkoso. You are fit, you are strong, you are an achiever, you'll be successful. Amen. This very month and beyond. For two team, it comes with a certain responsibility of your attitude. And your mapani nyina de onyame de ama obi biara or de ama me or de ama diamond or de ama wonso awohwe no, what is now needed and it's say okeka ho e manipa no asem mu wabem e ma wuntimi nka nkyere wa ho se wuntimi nye da bi bibia wudi besi wani so opeso the biggest dreadini e wa abibrema e wo wiase wudi si wani so a e din ba kakra be huna sai ni so ade hu no etimi abem de odi si wani so bia peso lawyer peso journalist peso the best fitter peso na say de odi si wani so bia no. If you listen to amanfo omo nkomo omo di abrabo mu nkomo abo nse obi ani ho a okogina asoro ho a ofiti ya boom na okogina asoro ho no ntimisrew susuma otrimunya ode ede na susu ya akwadworo ana susu dwene se mintimi ebusuamu de obi a ntimi entra ehye we da ka kire wo tifa wo odi nhye o me na odi asho metra de obi a nyeda e o mabusuam so atase nti wo busuam obi akransi dan da e won kran media mesi bie wo mikroma sai bi won kran ne wano na afi wa hyase de woni esu se mesi nti wa hyehye wo trim preko nti wo hye ho so se de wonya sika kakra o de beto baabi ukoye adwuma kakra obetima sai nya kwan sai adwuma foforo eye nhyeso ehia papa timesrew se wa kokwawu akotwa ho aba na nsu ato ase programs bebe na obotom so akoye dry kakra na o sa baba ka hunu se oba no adwumaden ana oba be. It's so good to see everybody. Wow, we are so happy. Nipa bebre ana akona aba edanyame ase. I think this time the onyame even though actually Accra ba community are very painful, but the nyame say programs ahodo, conventions ahodo, gatherings ahodo, akwanso nsem ahodo titiri fan kwanhia ho no. Onyame ni yedi ni yie even though ya tese baako mienu bi a anko yie, but onyame ohwe ya bakosem o Eastern sense mu dia onyame ene yen edi ni yie okososo ni yedi ni yie. Now we will continue to encourage ourselves. Na ya wish omunso a sabere kasa omadofo papa bi mi ankasa me yonko mi ankasa me nua Frankie Taylor ne maame ene ne brother, so painful. On my birthday, Easter Sunday, 17th of April, ne maame yare ne ni ofri amana ne aba ono so odi maame na ko oba back no wabinya nkwanhia maame no so a ofri mu nya be ma no so ofri amana ne bae je ono so afri mu on 17th of April. Ti ese so tiase se abrabo no eye nyame ti Frankie Taylor baby a wo bia no mesra we de eti se onyame ma just that strength na odima ne ma ebreti se mu no na ye papa da ki word me also so onyame so nkura no na on hye ne den na mu de munim de na mo keka no obi a o kasa bia sa keke no onyame hu nyina amobo you know onyame hu nyina amobo na o yeso pa na se na o yeso pa onyame hu nyina amobo wo no nim de wo ka and to one na wo befa obeda na ofa ayina de jurujuru na eto you know bibia e di agro bibia e de kasa keke entiase ti obia odofo bi odihie bi onana bi wo faase bi okunu bi oba bi ewu nti ontiase ye kasa sisi ye Mr. Obama yako na ma o hye den so kwanso nkoso etitru Frankie Taylor Fox FM wa hwero ma me nunua so sad unua na be do Ghana MC 2 days pepe na just nkwanhia ene no ending ye why so slow down? That's why we have problem. Why so slow down? That's why we have problem. I'm happy that Osi Unyame eno kama for ene obi ado hotuno so. Bishop Daggy Ward Mills, my encounters with you, Unyame knows better. I will suggest this one. So Unyame na ama osa ahode no. Onko so ano nkura. Enye de nipa eka. Unyame nti se nipa. Anka ye mu bi kura na nke enti ase. So Unyame koye nipa. You know, ke ye mu bi kura na nke enti ase. Nti Unyame ye da wase. Ye mfo ase dan so ndi da. Obi bia ni ho ebetim na toto. Obi obey mistake bia no. Odo Nyame kotutu bibia. Ebi ni mu Nyame ye edua na ebi mu de ye aba na ebi mu de ye ka na ebi mu de ye ntade. Ebi mu Nyame ye nkonkonse die. Ye Nyame no e Onyame a otiase a. Owu na no da no. De de toso miensa no. Osori onimunyam na okakere se wa wie efri se. Odi tumi so nko aman. Ti Onyame ye jiudi. Ye mfiri wachi nkofo Nyame fufuru bia da. Bebre ni ejiri se nipa gu sususu. So Nyame a oye Nyame enya wane ame no. Biribia da abeji afiri ofiri sunfo no efidi. This is the ultimate TV breakfast show. Bedwam on Adom TV, multi TV so nti efiri sa be kopem se no nkonobo. Me ni mi nuaba Diamond Chira ana fe team ni na Welbeck Kofi Ampadu na da ya no. Supported by a Priscilla Vodafone Anaman Dachi hene ze no so ate kama. We hwe Dachi hene se de we si agina brand sa na watwe assignment edam so ne se mehwa se Dachi ne unim dada e beba more eti edam so den and afi camera ne sound ne control ne makeup for na Franka Sempa oni to ade hwe me no enchirebu me damu nyina mo se adawa for so amu so mo de bae no mu nyina dam ase set designers na man ka piaro okọ nsu obo abono no. So if you move your bones and na onam obi ono no say design onam say was nyame na betua yi na yeka obekoko wu ampa eti o kwat na fie ye ko chile aba na nyina ya chile la fa harisi amache na boko de ye
ja erade Adom boko also
oh nyame Adom
happy belated birthday to
you me birthday no Kofi Ampadu de me be ka sem de bi onipa oben obi ana I know I careful about nipa oben na de o hihye chira wa ye no onyame nenim me de manyame me ka say obi na me de manyame uni ma de go jam de manyame o ye obi manyame a enye de bono so nko a de bi ada o ibu onipa no o ma ho adwuru de manyame nye easy Kofi Ampadu onam wa asa address ya ase okọ e so Victor Kusi asoye na Kofi Ampadu on kwat na fie ye ko chilia bo sa nyu de on kwat de bi fragi TikTok ko be mbia to ye ko chilia ka se na biti
me wadi eka well happy belated birthday to
you me na CP
ye da nyame asensoma onkwa no abrabo because NIS obi tu kwan sem be di Easter no
I tell you
but anya na chefa nti ye da nyame asen did you go to the beach?
Yeah.
You did?
You know, I'm trying to get one tube, you know. I'm trying to get, you know, times.
You tried what?
I'm trying to go. I try, you know.
And you saw the bikinis?
Hey, Charlie. The
buttocks and the breasts? Eh, no birthday there. Yes, we were sorry about. Am I oh, where release stress? More. Why are there? Papa. I want to say because I say quite the more.
Oh, if you know hostel, if you know still a lot of if you won't commodate, you see a Gibran Kasa because if you are adokro for now, I can't cry. I mean, in other regions because it's so tough. Camera will be there dancing, baby. I'll free Benina. I'll share said, if you see a year or honor, you know, a hard journey. Honestly, I think you the Kebi Anam year be say, oh, Sabe, Cosabiaho.
That's what I want to that's it. Now, on my wafa, can you quite call Kolebu, call minim de to aso ho ba sa kwan no so on baby as a baller bigua kwa de kosi baby as o my recycling factory
zoom line ho
no zoom line na asase na baller
down no dwie na down no
utum senya asase keto
so pa
enti recycling factory no eno na boss a baller no na mo de ye omajuma
okay
mibisa
there be omo kofa baller ya jijiji no yeah the last time no o de ko ho omo so so ebia na bi ade ho so omo de baller bia be so announce baller wa
ekwan no ho wa fi mi
then I think say no mo use the say
oh say no mo use the omo nje ho mayen because oman dey make asase yantam o wonam kwan wonam saa ewa emuwa enti semframa na egba ehuko ensio na eto a ensunsan no ede soneba enti say factory bi adwuma o de ye de ene na chese say ami otimi je ho na afa ope ade digum na say egu ho saa asase yantam na frama na egba o de ene wo mo so kotokoto ho a wo mo twa omoto na eho ne si ekromo baby a me kire ekromo o kanesia na kwa kolebu se eho na Jamestown to aso se be oh there be mo ma ye nyesa na ma me Cecilia da pass ha eho no bola no I mean no my sister bola o efi na eho no m de kwa na
I want to believe say the last time I call a year visitation or no na nipa fa ball film ya hodo na omo dia bro
omo dia begu ho
na fe omo sort de omo de be fa machine
eno ye de omo de call factory ho no
ba minim say e bia omo create minim omo create bia omo de ba omo de gu ho e affect yeah enam mountain so enti na wo ka se e sa na tie dia ono hwe say bia omo betimi age na fe sa insuranso from ebo to enko fasa so no mre enti yenim benfunim de but this one straight away assemblies no ana aye adwumaku omo so ye sa recycling business no mercedes bibisa na ekoso assemblies quickly you should act on it for us adwumaku no so na sa na muntu no on your behalf muntu ana monte amo man engine sem sa wo ka we kwa no they say she hwe sa ankofo na hemachi omo kuta ehyen kitinki from abobo
ya
omo du baby omo hwe benkum
no mo je
omo hwe nifa omo hwe egu honom they say gimpa kwan na ede obesi ha achu no saa kwan no so nyina no de omoye no saa kwan no so nyina from 4:30 to 5:30 and as from 4 ebi kura boninti na ebi ba be 3:30 so at 3:30 to be 5 o'clock no ubo unse saa bobo ya for no mafa ball adodo na omo nam kwan no so iti so kwa no di baby no he say
eho ye di ka no ahwiagu iti wo so nam kwan ho na ball a wo ti se ball a ya se da be gya egu
so but when I make no so what the entire Ghana and national to Ghana say if you are not patriotic, if you don't love your country, so o country no moje tu ni kwa na obebo atra moja na sa akofa ade abe bai mu mamuja na gu o ndo o mine no
yasam
ye nyina mpam chomo mi entie anu fa keke anu fa keke na meke be hwe de na Kristo fo ye kire Easter yi su fa asendua no tira Yesu kra no symbolically no this time around o shoot to Judas na o ye karat bob akoto from because when we say dem ye mamu nyina no muntie dem ye mamu nyina
o man no si wen
o
shoot to Judas bob karat
TikTok ni say o be be show me sis
ama for you creative
but yes o no ko that was get too much
o be ja
o mo bona de ni ma na o say ahwe na mu bobo mi say ya dem ke mu di so there be na for mu de push
yes you jalai
it be seven it might look funny. But the reality is that said ye see ye ho na anu fiada ya hye tuntum na ya se di kese e bi sida one of them na we na ya back to your normal life. These are symbolic gestures. You back to your normal life. Ye ntimi nye de se factor says here. I'm saying two core values. Being patriotic for all mine and loving all mine. So utu wache na odo mine. So what is any man mini we are say. Now demonstrate say any man mini we are. Untimintu abobo ya o se eyi ahemache 3:30 enkohwie egu baabi esumu ade echi so abonse na de sere kra se wo eya o se wo hwie egu baabi no wo abo no obusu efie na wo hwie egu
okay e den sio beto no
de sere no
yo
ndi eya o se wo ye obi ba wo anya wo susanso na ona na oba wo fa ase oyere nnua obusu ani
na koba ne sa no anu no ho asere
exactly
ho asere kwa
exactly ti me sira mo madaroma bi o man chichireye no one that was through they be Adam can one war almost so how was this the two almost so a share say a show moment to November. By yan so I was, you know. What yamwa you see they be baying yamwa. Oh. It is not going to be NDC, it's not going to be MPP. It takes leadership. Leadership no or no any dear no. Ye who no so abayans yes. Misre Madaro Misre. Oma Ghana. Because in so talk a Caribbean, maybe I come to New Town example. Na Chimota Honum no. And a dome a Christian village down whole dome inside. Hey, if you pa now before New Town there. And then I Jinsem. This same Accra Hanum Sino. Okofa be able to say Morning Star Honum no. Ekofa police hospital. Ebenina. Obaka say Ahana crack. A whole fellow, a broad joining test. This same Accra no. So how is that possible? So it's Misre. Misre pa Misre.
Because somewhere was some potom hono. I catch re ho say. Yeah, ye te ha no. Say near person ya sitna ye. And ye adwuma. Me de bia me ka say o man he. Say soro ho fort na soro ho ye nhye ya kosi sadien ya. Age so mo hwe nipa anim kanenim. Yeah. Kosi say no so be ye adwuma no. O betra ho ye nhye ya mama fo atena fo edi nsemo no hwe. O say circle don na ye titim no. Abet say something ceremonial. Obia benya sa di bre no a just obetim kakra. I just obetim bi so da obi krom no so da ekrom say ye bi wa ye de kodo nketenkete bi atoso ama wo twa ntinka wo di traffic mu a efi circle ko ba bia na make ho asem. Traffic dodo abedi mu no na ya ye odo no ye na ye de shape bi so wo mo taxi wo mo kan nyina mo besuaka etinka afa ha cross ya wasi ha nya no abia no de bia na ye se obi aba na ya betim kakra na ye pamo mo atete ho kakra na ye kakra na ye san ye mo ma ye nunu ye ho nse ye ho sa but fashion otrim say na no ball anu a ensuo to no a wo de koto ensunsu anim no e na akwa obi na wawu wahu be wo sa wo te wonpota mo di honi na so na obi dia oye no won chenti na akwa problem there bro mo ma ye nyesa kasa na doso dodo mo ma ye fa ho keka enso nka ho nye de bia ne kasa sa ale nkola sa enye fe.
Okay, so ya kasa nyina se wie sa ye fi ho nkomo no ye hia biem pa kese pa ne se ne ya kwa so ye bekoso amana ye jojo kakra very important. The enti amekasa ne se ye wie fi nkomo no the next thing it me mani pedua no abusua hodom oman ebo nkwanhia e mani pa hwere ne nkwa mesremo a nkwanhia e mani pa hwere ne nkwa most of this nkwanhia bibia da meka ade e bitimesi anokwa most of this nkwanhia ade ye very much avoidable mesre bebre se isuto brand se de obi antimi describe biem ye da matuofo ase omo enioma omo de ma esisi so pepepe dodo na 99 yeah esisi so pepepe it mesre adrava for munya hotoso se isuto brand yes me hu susu so shenka hu susu so asesa isuo ton kwa na afina obi try ne car say the best car or say the car with the sports car or change gears na car na betime so isuo ton e ho no chese or you skillful ama go atotize mo no isuo ton no me say trotro for say mintimi ntua trotro sika de bia mo kam ana say mintimi ntua trotro sika man isuo nto ba ne say nwunu mu so isuo to ameti hyan mu a trotro na say bus mo no a shiny minugu mapampam na me roba
kata. Roadworthy. Saka na o kana roadworthy
no. Unu see see to baby you be kan university atumo sem eyi atumi. You show to na a roba show na buni pass me so I've paid for that service.
He mate ni that's the year was had access.
Mr. Mama me am fan normal. Ese bia am ka say GPIT 43. O ma kwan bebre so ma boy. Cause most of transport nkomo nyina no mo na mo di kan Ghana. Obako GPIT most of them parks in no na stations in baby ko abegina adwo so baby abeye ohun yi baby abetina na wa reasonably comfortable no ni nyina just ya faster to school no ye jeje na why de ni enioma yira na yesi all the other stations mon copy because ye tuaka in fact when we see say musumu ye de sese mo ya na ma bebre wa ye ntimi nka because compassion ya to na compassion in show to uni baby atena ho uja lorry station uni be bia tena obetena ho atena na gina ho ma onas nyina teche basa Don't yes, sir.
Yeah, maybe cry a yes, sir. Be a pimful.
Yes, sir. Yes,
sir. And if you any baby, I'll be a Sikana. Yes, sir. Sikana.
Yes, sir. Monshana, my aquasun seminal in here station seminal in here because, yes, sir. Bibia to the GG, Mamma, no my to me. I be see.
Didn't come no tomb, why
too much.
Didn't come no tomb.
Yes, Monge, now moment into animal. But we are back to work. And condemn pemu excuse. We are full of excuses. This is Omaya. They be dano. You can't sorry, but we don't change from our ways. Sorry, can you Ghana for you the papa? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry now. Can we now who should say obey Jai Sana Mona and Niena Utuno? Debbie, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. A country full of I'm sorry, but not a change. I'm sorry. We try red light. I'm sorry. We try careless and come on accident. I know he needs about Charlie. I know or press it. Now lights. I'm sorry. This will be. Can you pay we anchor? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. They kind of just like they kind of say. Yeah, Diana says, "We can't chewing gum in here." I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's not just saying the sorry aspect of it. Saying sorry and meaning story and understanding story. Oh, Mr. Ofacheme. Ampa nipa yem from so but we say cha opa sa de krona nkasa wo din wu na say fawura ni sa de krona o tai na nye papa o can sorry we na o say okoto ties class I we are say more. Why do you do that? See, oh my bad I say actually. Are you the same person complaining? Cable now to try. No as I can say money more dey. Okay. To try cable. Who then what?
They say the aba so cry one na de na here de that got. Yeah.
Now
obi the ahode e no akoton no pesos.
I ask my who pay pa. Quickly answer the ever try and come on. So I would want to join the broadcast. Still enjoying the holiday break. Daily guide and the new crusading guide na daily graphic and the one we see. The new crusading guide say MPP lifts indefinite suspension on Ekwewusi. And after Ghana maximizing full benefits from crude oil. Deputy Minister Mohammed Adom Anadiwiatua. Kwawu State Book on Chieftaincy Lineage launched. And after Dr. Baumia donates to victims of nomadic settlements raid in Yendi and Wasem Abba, the new crusading guide. Daily graphic is to say, towards effective strategy implementation, audit policies since 1960s, government statistician advocates, and what's some Chefa of the daily graphic, the Obokrat and him. Kwawu retains sport as ultimate Easter destination for now. I have from Namjili bit my Kwawu, you know, when the Iguso SEC, a Miamia Shunko Hafua, a Gada Nipa, na etu wenifko enchebia we no mejako omunyina de omani bechere eye ahafu na omukọ go so abehu site ko oko mema obunya makase oko kukuma oko sankoria oko eye sa miamia wo nyina enche
we dika no niti na fa wa no nyira no pe ma hafu wa no nyira ade bi o hanye possible de we dika no so niti 80 na pa na no ahafu ya ye te mantam na kwa kotu hwan David ye ne sa
because Kofo to am za ora kike bisa wende
na o to kofo no mo say o we ne fen debe city
Rock City
and it's debe something in Africa.
Yeah, Brian you know. Yes, in Africa I'm say no na more rooms
in Africa. Yes, in Africa. Yeah, ka say West Africa. Na wo na no hafo ye ma o mantama o kwakotu wo.
No unim de ya ye omim. Now that in Rock City said by December, Obogu de be
pure.
Oh yeah, my Brian ko.
Yeah, Brian some but today is that half of war. Mama o ma hin no mu na masra mo na we e be fa na nya.
I said o nya ke bi ko ni say go so kwa de say o go so. The capital no de say o go so.
Yes am osise bi na mo no ma mo fa nkoto.
If I say walk we ni kwa ni e say ye walk kwaye no. Walk we no.
Hey, boy.
Stolen metal drain covers endanger road users. And now come once say the idea say a no be a force to. It is one you careful so not say a kromana ankofa eduane e koja bi ankoshe wan ko. Boyan is zem no wakotom. So at asenti But when President launches Kowi State Book, it gives historical account of lineage succession and what's and a Christopher Somo AD Easter Dano. Actually, say Vice President donates to victims of rape in Zakoli. And once I'm saying unya daily graphic. If you are much about the daily guide was about Aquaba.
Oh, yeah,
come on.
Yamiado.
Good. And then Yamiasi, and Aquaba, Radia Dawasi. So their chairs, yes, Abishia. Never soon. Wow,
Amen.
Over soon we are. It is what I say. And you're careful, now steady. If you're on the car, obey steady. This week in my steady. And you know, obey steady. Now, who show Mustruno? Chirimetrim, on any part. Just say, oh no, Coban, Muhuna steady. Fiaman, quite tamako. Untimin Casa. It is a camera, what thinking I also need trust. Daily guy.
Amount said, say, a pussy for shame, no so much you'll be a say, news, smoker, no more blend.
Yeah, no more.
And I wish you a catan. No better, minimum, metre.
Oh, Migini said, or more air additional for you or more on a month. And you know, no be on immediate. So we are always on him. I'll be on immediate. So what I say? The way father has here. Now be nose mask. Maybe I shall cover Frankie now. Baby a hospital. Pacho, maybe a contractor. Me chair chef for no more years, madam. Me contractor. People have been talking about that. Just said, who is that guy? They've been talking to my madam. I'm a contractor. Let me say, Papa. Or else, of course, baby,
well, okay, I'm afraid daily guide the woman, yes, say, Rantier, Bacum, and Sia, and the Hanum say, I want more a year across for when for Yachu, a 15 Bantam, one more Boama bonnet for some necro, no cost was some Bantam in Panty, one more Dean Ewaha, Mike Ojo, Adebanjo, Daniel Aqua, Hussein Sampa. Jabrila Musa and Jonathan Sechi. ASF guide says 6 top criminals grabbed and no Boga MP fight back into a sin of Mashede Jenny said an annual seminar Supreme Court catcher or Jitumua in ye. What's Nasia in ye into one also also Kwakwa Kotie Bio. Kwa State Outdoors book, Ote Yese Easter ya feed no. And home matro, I have Fabaquasam, Nini, Kikahunia, and a Sansusia Quasidiano, and home buku, one more edan with the into that Sabre Quamwa, a Japan to Sunino, and funny and our hair. A teacher Ben Boame and away a bonus.
Traffic, no. Gold. 15 years. There's no Aquatim and Nakotum. Yeah. Okay. And a cratchy, you and him saw that I had Dominic Bimba. And Dominic no, they know the harming. Liberian. Dominic Bimbanti. And also hon asem no Iyoko arrest bank telco officials. It is Sankrofo Iyoko ache woman no. Ukọ kratafa no de toso miensa. Ubehu din ene bone poti omo ye enti a Iyoko ache wom. We e ka guidance man of pay. Ordinam no. If you man kwata makwa be kan ho na bibia da wa no nsem ba ko mi no bi say no a special assistant to COVID a task force no. And Omampenya ayi na adwuma free ho no ntina ama na adwuma no COVID was nsem but onamogu so bo COVID no osa koye autism ho ambassador ana ohwe na so a ema nyi sene awo oro so wafa ato no bos na fe bia ba ko amne neche an ambassador for breast cancer awareness is the bribia da nya adaje etimi edokoro nimdie kakra nya media man no a isua free a doctor for my breast cancer make kan wosre o yo ba na se wono te wo na wono on examine wono fo ma ukunu nkosua ya kasa bia mu di agoro ma ukunu nkosua se de esi so ye mpokua mu ne defe dane no hwese ya de kokoram bia na ya de bi di kwase to no fo no mu a ya kasa na mo di agoro make you de ya down na bam sua menene na echi ya mo sa area all other areas with the man about breast cancer awareness no we are going the extra mile helping a lot of women when detect here ya kasa mo fise de bi area go we are going helping a lot of women
oh my really you na cancer mo
enye dwuma ketua
you are helping a lot
of women
Oh my.
Na say gynecologist member wo mu dey be bo ba.
Oh my, we are gynae.
Ya bebe, abere de bia.
Yeah, do come on you.
Abere do yo.
Hey. That be Kuba we dey.
Abere do you gynecologist.
Ambassador duty you were near.
Yeah, the say the adwuma show say ara wedding.
When the say adwuma we say.
Every much akwa we
do. Ah, Mr. so na 17th na na wa wo da. Na me nua be ma kuma akura. Ba metimi awo no small boy.
Hey.
Me ofa ba.
Okay.
Ai osaya kwasi bofa. Onya 6 years.
Oh wow, bofa.
Enti nana nyankopon hira no onye okese from o father and o mame. Osay bofa. Enti no. Na ye kase ye ne no menka health. Na aroho makuma mu kakra because se unam kwan so na wo ba na nyankopon ye wadom na wode ukoduru ba bia wo kona somdua na wade nyame ase nti ama eneme ba na medua hyenkafo ho pa ye titi wo mo nam na dwo dasuo mu no na wonam na bia kumase kwan so eho na me kai kakra watra emse nkokọ aha wo se ho ba bi ne sum ho pa na wonkwa na wonam na kromfo tete ho wato ahye oso emu oya Ghana-fo adwadifo omo ko Togo akofa niam ba akromfo tin wo mo kwam ebo won tuo ama mienu ahwe won kwama won so a omo wa hospital pra no ano ode na ye mareho fi se me bisa me ho se we betimi ato bia oho omo nyare hwenye wo mo nyese ka ni nyankwanhia enipa na ashada bo won tirim se sankofo yi ye beje wo nsam sika oji sika no oje phone so no ntia de no wanhwa mo manko na wasa bo mutuo aku wo mo eya me ya bebre nti na mama adua hyenkafo nti se ukunu ye hyenkani ana obi a ye pie ni efrifia yense awrade se onye emfiri san musuo ene atore nchem ne niam bi atise mu fi se ofrifie akono onim se ne besie ke bia nko wonko nti mo nso a wo plan sa wo di tuo ebe bokro no medofo mesro san wa dwene why fi se sa nipa na wo di tuo si ne so akuno no ono ane breadwinner no ono na ehwe fie no wakuni ne manketo an ho na behwe wo mo ono akrati ase na ye den no wafri mu ti mesrɛ mo eden adwuma ye eden ba ye nyina ye sɔre wo hesere nyame aye woda no nso mu ode nso ye so sɔre ahomache na wo ba na wo bi sɔre ahomache na wo de wo se wo mmere na emomo bi brɛ mu na wo benya wo fa so no ano ode nti abusua ne adofo a wo mahwere wo ma de hye wo ba bi etise no awurade enhye wo moden awurade enhye wo moden ano ode bambofo and minimum dear say be a street light no enye mo awa kwan so ya ka say ye nso no masa akowia on say ayi scrap fufu yi wo mo wiawia metals no mate set ma moto we titu mete me hye dan hu de ye so mo hye da wia enti de na mpanifo beye because me ye sure say akwan no so nyina light wo so a akromfo ye tete nwura mu anya obi betimi ehu na nke yesia no nti mpanifo nhwe other ways bia ye street lights eno so be ye adwuma because street lights kura so say ni kwan so a unsa nkwanhia so sa etesi because light ankofo tro maye no ya no ano odin nti ano papa de me ra ho pa me kasa etentin nyina agina say me nua baako na ne maame afrimu na kromfo ni tuo no mo boye no okoto Burkina kofa tomatoes eni abone maame tuo akuno enu onu anketwa ti eme ya pa eme ya metako Adom online ko na mpese meti ase ye na me ko ready na wutie di omo kana ya se eme se baako ekatwi ti eme se twi ne ba mu na wahu se nkofo ahu no nti no no ane so omo sane tuo straight na car na eba no windscreen ani omo shutu ye ti ho de straight na kan baako on de ho na baako so omo de no call wa hospital ni ada omo apura no ena se ono so free mu mo ya ada na nipa da sani a ya wo adwuma obaye ne se udi tuo bekum nipa no agye wo japade anu oya nti e ka de besi ayi kan sembi Adom news ye story bi ba fo na e record ye owura Japan kwabena Japan yankase mani panwo ba kwabena e wo se wo de ohun besun wo asi ya wo de ohun besun ye kwabena ka se mi nya be 4-5 anka mani nya ho but e dia plan award ma wo ma no eno ane sa wo keke na wo wa na wo hwe nkurai na mo ne nam kwan ho na wodim oba baby obehia sa akurai sa akura na yetete no kwan ho se me dwen we nyina ho a na eye me ya akura no woni ntetie bia ekwan no ho an wode anyini enti sa akura no o nyini nyina no e de adwen na wo hwe beba ni tiru
adwen nye papa
enti wo kum nipa aye ne sese
oni atenka
enti ye nwode ye ho beso ye
na e mo hwe be ye training ye bobo kwa wo hwe anwe a ye bobo so ni abo e opa so abusa apadu ye do otwa ohwe ho pa na oni padua we na ti ye kwa ama no ye nya park ne sa na etite di ye boa ma bofuru be
say machine bi na ejina park no so kwabna mu oya ye sremo yes and ya na ya hwe wo judge ba wo atu na wo ka say judge no ada ni sisi mu na ate ana say dey but oh say obi ka say adwuma ye but opese omo nkra ne da achi siye say wo kra na wo de bia meka say me ne bia ma wofo be bia esan ko mdimi do mo anfa manura enya me ma wo say wo matra wo be bia wo waduro no utimi hwe wo mo duru ba bi papa itinya wona ne sa wona na wo aso wo a wo plane wo ba no de abotaye ne esi woni so ma akoda no nya se ye wo no bia squatter pa wo hwe ba bia woda ne ma ba 5 wa wo sa no ano no se de akora ne be die hia no obatan ba ne wo nya obatan papa
enti ebe ko so de fiama nkwase utim se dodo na wo kan kran kwanhia ho sem ya ka ho asema so se ade no we can solve the problem enti me into ase kra na ebetimi a hwan so kra ni nyina na ye se wo ti ase se ye Ghana ni patriotism and love for your country so wo tu wa che na wa do ma sa qualities we wo mu a obi ekbokro no betra mantem ho a obohu si na eko obeba beka police for pe adanse ni nkomo bi se asuma senior bentin bi yehwehwe o mo vi se o mu die u unim pa se unim otie u unim pa se sa nkofo na Ghana abo mo ka yehwehwe o mu nyina unim ba bi o mo ti
ye ni bi kura na tie
na me anim kura no se de ehu kura se o wi akwese na o sa ne kwa asori unim pa se guy ya obetina area hey a ompi na je na jonkwan ona the papers that was so wanted on unim na wono nka no
wa wosuro
you know ye beba kono so onka no why dey magic ben na ebitima fa hu se sa nipa koi osha ye beba post for no so kran so de no so because almost suni omo ba bi dey ntira me be ye careful ha dey ntira me be because ye chichiri ma post for gina yi ama ye soldier for gina yi immigration for gina yi fa for gina yi a ya chichiri ade kese pa wo man
na me twen na wano asi enye se ye bechichiri immigration apost for ene soldier for eyi yonko se yama oman no enema mu ada ha ma obia ne nensa se de etie no ne so ne dia sa nema we etu ontwa esa ye wo wiase na so nka ye hu ne sa because the owie university 4 years ni na wonya adwuma nya na yenso yentete ye ne de ase mu se owie university ese what I say the ono so oye squatter no abrabo no e den e bi be kosa ate bia no but omo so ne omo de no oman na hwe de ama oman na eni bre no oye se owo nkakwa o de eni bre no ebi no mo ho a se o be no kakra ne san semone ne abonefo sem na senka wonya obi mane no kakra bia
nko watie sikwa
bia me de upike ba no ye example what I say eni pa he no benya saa akokodo na yi ferry ato nche se meto pike na bia me hia me bofo te se o man he e wo kwam ye ka se ye nye nkania na han mra kwam ye nye family planning na ye hwe ya wo yie no na ye hwe so se o man na ye timu no obiansa
nipa dodo na ho be ha
obiansa ne so ne de ne se tia keto we mu no ono kra ne de obenya emergency sika kra se obotom na wo de odesi akodu hospital na wo ni din se o man hint kunya nurse ni po hwe na ka so okwati kwan bi obenya obi ahwe na onye
the system should be just
say bia ye wo senrosis wa kwati a ahafuma mu so ne enya ba ko bia ye senrosis what I say wo ayi presec omudi tu omo ho ko say presec do so but ya ye nkran de ni ye eti obi aka me call nkran de no but presec do so say bia ne ayo me dem say ensa tia anyepe na so obia ne nsa de no ya hwe na ya ye ne ho obi be hu baby to say more I just wa bankran I just say nyame adom na say bia bakuma say but say bia ye potem kakra bi e bia ye water kra de e bia so ye wo north no ye wo baby kakra bi o hon man no so ye so ne ye de I mean nipa ni nipa ti sa
okay so
ya prese ni ye tu ye ho ne ye ka say me wa dan 100 me wa dan na ebinum aye ayi ye ka ne say kaya ye for the dam mountain so ho no na ka ye de sa ye dodo no bi na ye wo no ye de ye hostel bi kra masafo na da ho a na ni mere obi bebre ye ka sanse say ne so because owo de ani bre na eka
okay good one if you open to
mama ko a Facebook say sori ahomache ba say ya ebi mu so wo fie mu ko wonwuma mu hwe ye na shamaba benya ono say 2024 Mahama ebe selutu ono na dwene no na ye nka Mahama na Akufo Addo but ono de aba Gabi Boy so sa Adom TV o hwe ye free koforudua aboabo keep the good work up yada se odo itaman so ama comes up e wa ha no pay a wo hwe ye MC ya preko chia ye na o chia Dr. Friye Akoto the best agric minister any future president papa wo fans on Facebook papa ora we are go to enti ne dia ono so e dia ba se ono na be replace na Nana Addo Akufo Addo future GH say I'm watching Adom TV live I was short porn happy Easter to you all yeda se papa Kofinya akon and so e wo esikado Kentan and ono so dia ba o se Dr. Friye Akoto still the best option for MPP ne dia also dia ba no area kisewa chia ye na bafo awua enso wo UK na o hye ye Danny Coleman enso e wa Kenya say number 2 Jericho and ono so hye ye na fe piaga a belated birthday o manhene nyame hira no ma wo ahoden Esther Champon unuaba na ba ho happy belated birthday o manhene of Friviana Austria and wo hye ye Esther Champon piaga so aba ha biemu a wo hye ye Esther so and Esther wo tugumusa and Afidal Hayford and so HIA or say welcome from Easter holiday Tadi Kwesimintim eho ono so support no ko de ama Dr. Friye Akoto hey emom Facebook pa na Dr. dey win wo MPP primaries any Dr. Friye okokra enti yeda mo ase papa na ayi yese wo ko ayi a Adom online stories awodo ha na meka ayi kire wo no ye friend say
enkwachia no wasem no
tututo ye course we na meba ayi a Dark Heward Mills
oh yes makana sem
oh waka wo hu nti wa Adom online
yes makana sem na maka masasre say nipa bi ni mo a omo nti nyame ase nsem ni bi ho no mo omo ka omo nye careful
kobna anu no wakan obi text message o de buy
onyame hu obiaa mobo say nipa no say nipa ohu ni mobo if say nipa ne enim de oye kopim so obo de oye no obadwene sa akwada abievu sa akwada atutu na namon sa akwada onyame fa no nche na fe no obesa di sa akwada
social media nti ultimate tro bibia wo pe ubeko omme cheso wo papa ne mpabo akra wa hwe obeko na chi na ne be free mu na sama ultimate tro to ho ni bra woni na wo
ka se de nti e nyina no yetimi yesa ne se onyame ahomobo no bia so ana onyame akai nyesa sebe de afie ken wo hwe obi pa o kaseti ajo mahama na wo hwe de bia meka se mo fa we nya amanyo se mo tere amanyo sem ne se wo kire wadwene na wa hwese wo begina wo mpanyifo ekon so e wo ebuo mu ama mpuntu aye hwehwe nyina no insert me aka amanyo sem nye say ofo nipa di na tem so ani si from there bi
na also penyini che he na wo ko 24 no da of am down 17 because one was some penimu the way jano nani o ka so we jano na no ane de wo free de yam bae there bi
yakwa be mpanyimfo no ahobrasiem montoto na mo hyehyɛ mo nyoma yie mpanyimfo dodo na montoto na mo hyehyɛ mo nyoma yie nananom throughout to asofonom through to politicians to businessmen and women mo hyehyɛ mo nyoma yie mofra no so sɛ tie bia woni ntimi ntra woni ntonda sɛ tie bia mo a motimi hwɛ papa no maame anim edi na tem no wo de wo wasem kwa de nyankan wo de kwa de nkan wo a wo hwɛ papa o do ba wiase maame o de ba wiase no matter the hurt the pain the provocation we ni pa etwase ba wo hwɛ wo ja na wo nanim kan nyoma ensem fatache wo nso a wo kɔ social media chi na wo kan na wo tro na wo ye de ensem fatache ta ankofori nyina ebre bi ba wo ye nyina ye hye sa abre nase ebre bi ba ye nyina ye hye sa abre nase
kai hu so aye sa open
yes let us be mindful me dey be ameka let us be mindful because as even on mine akasa no ye wo yesu any ye buy o ma bia o ura Japan o Japan ni people we are Japan American people we American Germany people we ana odu na ho Ghana ni a ye o nema bia di chere say ye Ghana for mamu maye nkwati sa akwan no enye nyoma ensem fata enye Ghana yesu any ye buy mesre ti na o kan because say me kan come see bi o kwa na masro nya me say ohun me mobo no hu omo nso e tworo sa ne mane nyina mobo
e nkran keto anzo
on ti ase nti we no enye youthful exuberance say enye jimia na ebo apayo ana onim susu so beba so ata say ya soso nyoma bebre so o man ana afi de agi ensem ana say ya bibi enye bibia eye nso so a impanyfo bi ni mo nso impanyfo bi ni mo nso
because panimu bi o hono ma kwabena o de ya politics here making which means say because only party A ninti no their party A can be in abufuti nanu asam kra wo kan fa party A hu no enye entimi obaburu no wodi na chi na sa no so be kopie yes ye hua de panimu nanti o se ne kasa enti panimu a wodi animu no kasa be na wo ka hye panimu no no so di wanimu no se be ya enchirima no so be sua enti efri ye nan kasa yes re meni o man hina fa ana se meni diamond afa e kire se e wo se me bu o manim tia e wo se me ye kasa e ho tie ye kasa nye hwe nansan papa we she na brabo e kan na brabo kakra just what they say zoom line of papa and what case what the 3 CD 50% man sika fine omutwa bo no a na nanu ya me fa St Philip's enterprise and so on so chese what the 2 CD we say 40% we say 50% and na e share na adwuma ase kwabena jai ya omubu baby na me ebe me nimbu yesi enso bo wa kase pam wo ze de atenie ya brain motivation e de 2 CD na me say no mo sha o madwuma ase nya 2022 no sha ase na o de sa 2 CD ne sha ase na me no 1998
me and the industry this money table bi
oh Debbie
edu baby ni akatua je 30 cedis
come na we wa
na we me beka we wa ma o ba na wo film 30 cedis o 30 cedis kwa no and the ne ba 12 cedis na me de na ba 50 cedis answer na ya carry forward Debbie 30 but 30 entimi ma
you put it thought
mate was here
30 cedis entimi ma we've gone through all this no be go through 2 3 3 4 oh appreciate it because then no say be do na ti internet so e bokro no etimiti husika kese
nya 10,000 a day enti wo ka 2 CD 50% no wonye woni
muti wono ma
ebinum graduate ebinum establish you o ko sa 22 CD 50% o ma fa bi ansa so e no kredie te se wo kwa na maba o ma yo ma me o paper CB ko mi wia na me de aba en safo no ebi graduate enti so bi nya 2 CD person ase
me say me wo woman bi okrum ha no kredie keke no nim ni partner no Nigeria no kredie keke and wa jin se mama na bro no kredie o ti wa no small boy o no kakra na e so akakra no 50,000 o ji ya pa wa yira wa kira kwa
wa dane kura wa sesa ne number sesa na kira kwa
no kredie
Obi ni jetre no credit wa establish
and you go some conversation. Guys, no muntie na young girls, no muntie. You think that the easiest way out of this life, and they say, oh, dear, and they say, oh, no, be any of my answer.
No, my hair, or some cra to the beer was someone like a chianca one son, I will do baby. I don't know. I say almost everything, and then obviously fitting job of crana. Time on so crosses upon Crana. You can't need 1 2 to a jano. Or to me, catch or say. I have frame na me ba be yama. How? Eso osia djuma. How? I have frame na me ba be yama.
O ti obi shop ano. Obi ba be to niema. O hunu nipa ne se de odi dwa wo shop ho no. The next minute when you number say brana me fa wo enko ba bi fofo.
Very painful.
Wo gu papa na djuma. Wo gu no poto. Me wa wonwene say wa rent store no obetua. Wa djuma ni wo say tua wo ka o. Me wa wo twene customers ni free ho. E de ne ko ba
we are too ungrateful. We are too dishonest.
And the youth aba. Me wo mo so nipa da.
Society not changing.
So ungrateful.
Yeah, grateful.
Now we know been wo to fun so asaba ya bra mu motivation. Hey.
Wo de obi cry she won cry. Say ungidi so ungini or she won cry. The mentality now is that everybody wants to be like Kwesichum despite Sam Jonah Ibrahima.
What does it say?
Na se Kate be catch ro say ne ma me mo ne anwa and what start ha kwabrani be twena na nso adwuma ne yetimi a wo hwe ye kama ye ofe wo pese wo ye se diamond wo pese wo ye se fia na kwabena ana camera woman o ma me mo ne anwa o ana no wo ton wo no so to bia. And so said, Nemanya Kate in any interview. Na Kate Becatcher said, Fia me shassie, but money and ma. One in Yan was a Canada pass out to a money and one.
My young father, yes, I said, that's right. Yeah. Oh, yes, I and then Suda. Now they but I know so the sea when you saw.
Work towards it, yeah.
Who bedroom?
Work towards it.
Who so did no so so atode e ye ofe e to bia wo se a de de mepe na so ebra wo so so didi na wo so so ada no na wo sie bi no botaye no wo bedru ho
Franka Sempa wakoto mpaboa e 1000 unu 1000 mpaboa na wo bekoto 20 ni 30 ni 40 ni 50 ni bia mani e se Franka Sempa unu be bia Franka Sempa ko just give you. And all the young girls are using now phone competition. Akola 18, 20, 21 years. Apart from few ones on 1 and almost directly their mom. Oh, mimi kura phone we are. Oh, Nejuma, Ukrebi. What's Ukrebi? Akola so pa de kokwa hu a.
E de damra man.
O ga se penfo bubusa abene kwa. Se waso awade a.
To prete.
Akwa bi asem okuma se okan. Osisi ke bo punu smada. Enso to kakre kwa kwabra na wada se hate. Nkromu hwa nkon a.
Amunya kasa me. Se mo de problems e hihye nipa no. You are your own problem and your own solution.
Abrewa.
Mama nya say every day we on my name more no people are still making it in this country. On minor COVID the buy no. People are still making it in this country. Who say unyame say ondu nyansa ene obrase no kuridi na fa film na also fa kobi. Odu ho akoto MPP na do ne Joma man NDC so. They are the policy makers. Obo policy affected but so uti nyame ase a whether they bring policy or no policy you still go. What's what they order na kaka. O se ntade yi you no for change to egu abontin na wo be catches will be you for. You are your own enemy.
Okay.
Solve the problem your own way because sebi enkwano kura ye pe no obi abetimi de wakogina enkwansuo no ho ba se onipa no be no nkwansuo ma wonya nkwano de it's impossible and I mean no me yare me hospital me ya me ya age Frank no maduro ni ma me ansa na mani no abe affect what be that what be that let us make that sorry no relevance no the power in that sorry enya sa na enya sa ye nyina ye call church na ye koto lazy bi nsi da fite enya na church fite
basta ya kese
empabua kese
koto hill na we see na just oba uko she shoe na ye free ayi kram da odi ba eno just we king kong the significance and relevance of that story now. And now pretending say from Friday to Saturday, you know, we be come to a halt. We two sabe boko, no sabe di kokosa, o sabe titi di pantem, o sabe bufu ni nyoma ensem fateba, o sabe ye kanana comme ça. Patriotism and love for your country. Be a lot of thoughts every team so that we can hold ourselves responsible. Continue jomu sanfa because me top pair, me team came and me as a music man and why fast at church over black moon. The final property. Now they are mommy. Oh, when I'm bit chiauka. We you turn around and you come and
you ya ehhehhe niam okonkomu no na wo de ade abotwa
ya papa as papa you talk too much.
Aha.
Ya botwa na basoro so titu abi
enipa nye.
Oh,
plantain chips. Otobida. Nansen ya enre ya. Ache.
Me to bi ache.
Plantain chips are netintin nye emuduro ni o. Fia te se bia ofun. Fia 3 cedi. Plantain chips no. Nam na body na mu ya he. Hey! Plantain chips are we na twa he. Flat ya twa ma. Ngu body no flat. 3 cedi. Nam se me kwada na me ka say ohu de me say fine na ma boy drink ti me de me fa 2 cedi or say 3 cedi. Plantain chips o. Traffic mu de na kra na be wie me nto. Na den kam ko to body akra chi ma wasan keye. Plantain chips. Just ye pemfaswa. Ye pemfaswa ma. Then ye wi na de abesa ban. Hwe wache park. Ba wache otun we ani mu ha de ode cheye. Ko ha chu. Wache park. Kwabena. Hey. Emom Ghana pa de. Kwabena me nka wache ne price ni che.
Me de we because 3 cedi massive.
Get what you hand na me am be me ka ma na tie. Say we de cheye to 4 more.
3 cedis no. E massive den.
Enkwantre a ne round nyina ti say no te ba kwa 1 cedi. Nti imagine so wafumu odu na person didi mu a. Ba kwa 1 cedi o. 2 cedi. 3 to what 5 cedi. Also what 5 cedi. Enkwantre mienu. Macaroni 1 cedi. Gary 1 cedi. Na first bank akota wache a. Oh, wache ne gary ne macaroni 3 cedi. Aje sa na e to no.
Yeah.
They say macaroni no yin Italia no ko agina 1 cedi. Italia. Who ya park no so asa to ama. Ope park price. Inti akure ko school na no so ni fie aduane nti wo de to wache wo kwan homa no. 1 cent na 15 cedis sebeko. Na nyumre so adidi yi. Just say we nya de be sha ban. Na oni masema o kan ma na ye mwanwa. O si e-levy. Ana me si
ade so sa.
E-levy fa wache ho. Esa se we maka na menti ase. Emrantie pa pocket here ti say ebio. Na o mugina ho. No say ni oba ha che. Say e-levy. Wache nya price.
So crash.
Kwabna
ye nipa bia aya say Ghana a Christian country mo Christo sem no ye fa bata ye ni miedi mo ade aya me yaye omo aya hye ne ma okonkum no se tomatoes na okoto a obo say ekese fefe ne gusuro
we kona asie ni na
pacha oh bi su cry mpete kwa na
ye tete kam ne etade ye wo mo
what
di mi say na ka to say na ka to say me to say ya dey pampa one me see me community what dey anwa won say chon
ma to be happen
masa me here na me say ma me fast me rob busy me dey won say chon na papa na da say cha me
ave was say the color
ma di me so papa na da say
ave say ku ba anwa kura ne we we na
me to say me na itu ya me don kokora me say me dey won say na ye chon me say ye me ku ba boy
eya semoni adwembone uwie po de shaban ye kasa
ye pe ye ho anyantem dodo se obi wo ho a mi se meta twade wo mo a e bi a onyema na akola okura kola ketwa me de ehumo bro na
omukwa na na de dangerous
omo ye dangerous me pes sawa pa na hese wa shade no loan ka o se de me fese de si wo no so eho te na ohua de na ase nyina ye ni na madamade na ya sase eno so ka ho
ni tini nko eh o mani da wo
ni tini nko na even no mo restaurant fu yi so to wa na so na nte nko na be oda nkase nko a kase me money din ba da no me ka kire no
mama ye nyesa
akoko na nkase nko a wo so oda because right at the price.
My adrenaline is a problem.
Adrenaline.
Yeah, penta.
Enya baby. Abai. Yes, it's 1,000. Na me imagine ya papa.
Sa. Oda so park or kwa mfimfi. Eno no, ye.
Ene ya chemo St. John's. Kwabrane. Mumpa Ghana mumpa yenye serious. Me kwa mkase bibi na esie. Onu obi na edi nkomo next street.
Ano wo gina.
Ene ye gina ho. Abrantepa. Ene ye gina na chie. Chese ohunu sense of ayi was say packing chain obi nko. And other incoming ones but to me this original breach. And what nkra. Na wanya careful ho anopa wan hwe wanu betia. Na nye nipa bia ye hihie wo ko ye papa. Because oni dia wa sa ti wanu pa na ko kan wan hwe wunu ba bia wo ko. Me hwe na me twa mu na me se mo enyi no de be sha ban obi e kan we o de be sha yi levy so
na making
cause watch enya yi levy problem yenye serious ba.
Okay, so we'll end on this one. Paragliding no e ko kama na emu bi de e de ajo mo chichire
nyame adom na ko bi kwa
mo chichire we
and I hope you are for no
that the main person have for them because e ko e because e de o ye test time ye test one try o ho sere
na so pe bi ni
o ye test time ni bia na me ma better to a contest na bo dia na mo fizeli pani na o e di afo e ba se ba sa de fe wiem se ya na mo se ya bibia so se mo ko se wiem di e ba hafo
e be bibi show
na madam ma nyina mbako biasa ya fo hini techre afri obia beko na mo ko wi na mo na mo ko wi na mo nana ma be ka to boko di me kai mo se ba
uni akuko do
si se huni na wo ko enu ye be twa kwa enu bia fam na madam ma wo be nanti afam wie pe baba me na be na madam ma ado be ma chia afo anya bakita o da mo be so ma ha pay e be ba pa sa tourist attraction e be ba na madam ma mo be kire se mo ye na no mampa mo be fam akọ hwe
na de na na ese o de ba
no me na me ba je se na mo bo mo de time achi na ye fa wiem se ya
ayi bese opidi bese obi ante hwe since ya paragliding wa be be na mo ahi de so ye wo se kwamrade na eba fom
na me no before all me betra we ni ko all me ko two job na me because unia me de mo show say rade ku do ni me ba bo ko de edu o ba land no na de o mu bi e ma me di pa na ko na asa
we ya what a flight mu
no anya na
e se kwabna de we am na si from pa asa me na me change ewurade na me he sensu emu na ni so to pay was para menko
na anya na say car barrels e for na multimedia be ye sa fly over motor car be na ma for kokoro abu de na mo am pedi bae o ma ni the next day ye wo ni na ye wo ni wo musa medical kwa ba chata hwe atata ba bia so ko ba se ya uni am so ye try we nhye kra ni o ma koye mu no you have no idea
ho de o ma check bp
hwe
amara bp shoot ko ayi
ipa so de kra se ye ko jo so kwa no skills ye de so de unye izo yeah, you make it twice. You know. Experience obi so ti be je fi me no experience na de move so
entina ebi mu dia ya no no sada no
besewo yeah be kwada yeah ba komo bebre o it's just after the Easter break so yeah besewo so musa pa ya feel pa ejiri se ozo afie pa baby obi ano think Ghana, love Ghana and be patriotic. That's all ya chichiri Ghana enye miensa enye mienu e baako iti ye die ni ye ni nukrema ye ho na ye ntimi nya adwumaden mu Ghana. After this break
mami nchi ayi Mr. Mankwa boche
yeah jifanku
yeah amenchi ano ene ayi engineer
na atwata
ya do almost pa ya surprise brain birthday no very difficult to surprise mms suban anka your bank ye nya no feche na we o ye no de afa habasa by the end of the day it omo mo buy no ya da mu nyina ase na wasanke ye ne big na so o ye obehu ade na nyefe ti omo mo ye surprise nso Emisha mu papa ene inshira na yi. No ma enkura yi so mu nsoso sa na de bia atwa mada pe.
Adepa wa huna na.
Ja.
Oboro dadi.
O kasa de. Omo sonkura.
Egutwa wa ba.
De bia.
That windy. We are back from the Easter break, so energy na saba. You know, understand that energy na saba. Mamenche obia, thank you so nyame adomi ene. Na the first thing I messa KBM they say Minya Frankie Taylor, shedding kesepa. Your mom and your brother who just returned from the States same day. Unfortunately for me, it was the Easter Sunday, my birthday. Anna Frankie Taylor. It's so painful. Oh, mommy, and I only have more free man on it by Frankie shedding. And I am so happy and encouraged by Adia Wankasa to social media. Say, Onyame, Onkuto, and Judy. Good morning to my brother Frankie Taylor and my condolence to you. Yaba back to life, no. My mama Sako Kobowe, Metro for a catch, said, baby, I see me no. And to talk on sense, no. Aye, bibi a war honum. So you have a responsibility, I have a responsibility. Government of the day has a responsibility. Mr. 3 parties when you know your responsibility say be chefa. Nama insuto brand yenti unique kesia. Insun de beto. But who should so necessary if you shine money bafom. We cannot every day celebrate and insuto and the chifa we so and install say and say we need to improve it until we get to the barest minimum. Eye normal says isi timisre baby a obutu bia ne baby a hye bia na adwuma bia we bia na namon bia wutu bia no usu ne oban mpanyufo so na montu ese musumutu ese mutimi tubu ayen na yesi nsutobre mu yesi nsutobre mu se de metiofo hye ka no ya ntensema emwa ma efia hodo mu asomdwe mmem efia hodo na ni yemmem. Just play your part. O part a o play ni se unso bi ni wura bi gu baby unso bi sidan baby ni kwanso sidan unso bi esi gata bim unso bi akofa anwia be gu ni fie ni ma block gata block kwan or the abo chippings abegu ni kwanso. Confront the person, let them do what is right yourself. Yes repa baby adunu wonso eni nipa wonso eni nipa mesremo nso top brand na hunso so ma Ghana titiro nkran hanum si no ana ho ahom ti bebre. Mesre bebre. It will both the sanitation minister, both the works and housing minister, the greater Accra regional minister. Omunyina ni abre. Omunyina omoni abre. Enya go no mudi o. Omunyina omoni abre. It will how the ta na nso ni to. No e fast dey go fertilizer bottom, no be release dey go mu no. E hu nsusuaso no, unim de eba. Ye chiu se say pa dia wa no nyafi ne be ka se ye be tutu nyum kro bi a chero bi da bi aputo omom to sa nyum kro no aputo ye chiwa aputo se be jaw se ko because adi enya ache yama nyoma ye abnormal nyina ye normal ba and this time ye nya o my Ghana mufuo ne mpanyimfo mo so be twa so. A bit my family, a bit my fellow. So you study. I not some casatintim. You study. The day before that, they were born say the 2 core values and some other ingredients. And they say, "Oh, you know my Ghana. Oh, to watch my Ghana. No adore my Ghana." Very, very important. Oh, you know my Ghana. No adore my Ghana. Oh, you go bless our home, la Ghana, Debbie. Mesrewa, anope di nyamia insuo na e totono e hu sunsanso no se e be limited to the barest minimum. Mesremo. Let's cultivate that positive attitude and mindset. Mesremo pi de meti maka no penya na ya de sede ana nhihye nso abantie so mu a yemfa nchew mayor na regional minister musmo kumasi mjilisa musmo tu anamon mo Cape Coast mo hefa baby a mo hye bia no muntutu anamon assembly si muntutu anamon because o hwe Efi nko ho kapa o mine boa. It's too much. It's very too much. Way too much. Muntu anamo ne anamo na yitu ne homran faso na bibia nko kama emfama. And the kasa bia ni ho. Ti ene mwaka say we yaba back from the Easter. Let's work and let's be positive. RTU for so the domasi leg even though ya jewi. E domasi. Me go kan because me dance here. Oti ho house folk ni o ka chem say match. Ti no minister dance ya me be so. Me na me go ka say blue away. Me kwa
afe yemra efie na yenhwe efisem so nkomo twetwe kakra anopa me gide se bedwam yenya wo ho adaje no adidi nkomo kakra baabi a wonso ema wo ye Ghana ni na wo mmoa ma Ghana enkonkan no firi Yesu wo sore yechi na hyase ye nsakraye na obia ye ne de kwanpa so a ebefa ye he ne sei so a ye de ya no ka na yetu ho anamo no age se yetiapo enti ye de yapo mode ho nsam so etoaso na mame ni kan fa moniyo Emma Peace Chapel asafo mai wa kwatia enura mete monka na mai ade pa mo papa sofu Mordecai na mo mame mama Sylvia say oda mo nyina ase me ankasa nso me da mase pa me hu ni nyina matini nyina nso entimi ma mo nyina moniyo na Dr. Kojo Chamate ewo menchen Michael Kennedy ho ye bofo ewo menchen wa ha me no ba be di sa apomuden enkomoi na eneno ye share cholesterol ehwo asem anano a doctor fo ya no mse jama no akra na no na mete se cholesterol no kra no enye se bi a stroke ne nko na etietia na ama wo wani kra so se ewo ba bi e kofefa onsa ya mo se ni pedua na ise pipe ene nemu ana no so akwa na to se ye ka cholesterol asem a forget se me ni anwamo na forget se me pe milk nom dodo but ade bi pote wo ni pedua no mo ebetumi amano aha na doctor yes anete because obi no milk pa odi anwamo pa so bia na ne de no dodo onte se obi a onni sa ne ma nyina enti no eno ne nkomo a ye ba bedi share me wo Facebook honom na fe fa wadwenche no asembisa no eto ho mekenkan de amount na mame fa sa ya konsem ma yenu abema ye ne na na wa head of sound George na o chese abusuan pani John Aseku a wo boadua na chese Francis Kwabena ofori asese ye kanasem a oye de late no no eguso a pempen so 23rd April ya no yo no ebeba so nti George ima oni abusuan ni nyina kafra na abusuan no de wo boadua ni nyina nti George amo one abusuan no kafra but den ya Yesu a ija himunti yenhwe yapomuden yen a enkwa no nyame de ache yen enne no na yenhwese de yebekura mu ye Dr. Choma Tempa Choma mo official pa
ahema afinko
Yesu ewu asore nti de apomuden honhom no so dodo abremu a eye mo adwuma no aha ye da nyame ase ye hwe cholesterol ye taitete na cholesterol bi ohokra odi obedi no woche ne ho a because cholesterol minimum obi a mini gya choba ho a ye to fufuo ya bebia mkoto kokonte no mama nwa pankwa na ni no ama me cholesterol nkoso ebi misukra na mfa enkwan ye ne gubi a ho asema na meboa ede na ma onipanya cholesterol e woni nipedi na cholesterol na nkasa ye de ade
yo me da se ma mefa enchia kese ma eye ahwefo na me mo bibia so official pa indeed in partnership with the stripes of Jesus Christ we are healed. Say by his stripes we are healed. Amen. Yeni Yesu enam. They be a menace be a ayota ye devotion ne mpa ba ota e kan se onyankopon a osa yare na a doctor for eje sika enti ideally no ayaresa no finyame senye nyame a emfa ho ne edura wo de bema nipa no engine no enti se nyame hye edro ni mokena Yeka cholesterol send yenim na extrade na yenka say ye wo good one ye wo cholesterol papa and ye wo the bone.
Okay.
Na extrade bia ededi wo nipa mojemu nti nipa bia no moja enam wo nipedua ni mu se na wo start na wo ka eni no ne ekọ eni ni mu ne ekọ adwen ni mu ne ekọ honam akwa awa ni mu ina no ade a cholesterol ewo mu anase srade ewo mu na srade ye biribia honam nankasa ena eboa na emeki anase eye srade nti nipedua no eye srade a ebehia especially the hunama kwa ono no ye responsible a ono no ye srade no wo nipedua ni mu no eye brebo
okay
nti na se brebo no na eye srade a nipedua no ehia
nti mpacha wo aha na yenti ase se enye de ye di akoye mu no na koye srade wo ye mu nemu nipedua nankasa no so oye srade wo ye nipedua mu
mepatwa nipedua nankasa
okay
eye srade wo ye nipedua ni mu aside emmoa nuane a yedi ana ate ne yebeka say animal foods
ebi ne de he
eno be a cancer be a mojanam
okay.
Anything that has to do with a animal
okay.
More to say aboibia akoko nentwie can you say
aboibia ye dane ne nam edikoye ni pedua mu no
bia no eno so add up to young cholesterol it's not just naturally no bo ade no boy no di pedua na nkasa make cholesterol ehia ewo ye moja ni mu nti cholesterol ankasa no srade ewo ni pedua ni mu a enye bone eyade a ni pedua no ehia emeki a de boa but niema no eye bone ni se bia wakwa yaresa bia ni akase ebia wo HDL no eye wo cholesterol no eko high anase obeka say high density lipoprotein no ekosoro normally no it comes with ages ohwe enkola bia from age 1 I dey call 19 and younger no obeka say eni say omo cholesterol no say less than 200 for enkola 19 years and younger no less than 200 milligram per deciliter.
Okay.
Say o measure na say o call lab na say omo hwe wo moja ni mu no mo to me detect the level of sradia ewo ni pedue ni ma and mpenifo so say less than 170 say mpenifo no so less than 170 it means say but beyond 170 and not just say wo de no ewo soro.
Okay.
Na jisi ewiase apomudin for as in ewiase apomudin chef for as in WHO rate cholesterol no srade no as one of the major leading cause of death. So say ekumen crofo say utumu say is on the rise. The rate aya nkrofo wu ne nhwehwemu a ababeto dwa no chese cholesterol ade a eku nkrofo bebre enti if say honam no make cholesterol masa eno no boya wo baby say adenti so necessary osan edibri de ben eka ho
enti se de wacho yesemrebo no yesrade no enkense se de yedi akoye mu no de bikoka ho because ni pedua ni mu na aye dodo a ohia enti ye enam na abobo so che na emo a ye dane ne nam edie no e de bi koka ho ma enya dodo a ni pedua ni
ya unze eno so untumi nka se be a undi kra
na nka me be kenzi ne be de fufuo yi so ye kwatre kwa
unka se undi nkwa but ebasa wonim se wudi no na esese oma exercise so mo anante bibia obeya ebe bene cholesterol especially say on daily basis no obema ebe ka ho se bia anapa osoria nsuohye
okay
na o de lime anase lemon nsuo no odi egumo na wapɛ bi a ɛyɛ yɛka ne sɛ ginger kekeduro wa blend kekeduro na ode a mixe na wanom oma no eye o daily practice a wo free say wo we such enam no necessary utumi eboa na we no so eye o daily practice say eye o daily practice a eboa ema external eye bribi a yedi a add up to yen srade wo ye nipedue ni mu no eboa ema eno no etiso nkakra ema yen si anya ne saade a na nu de dia ni se wudi no exercise onya activity bi ebeboa abene cholesterol in fact sisi akra no hwehwemu kra kire se emfa ho ne nnuane ahodo a wudi the more a wo dwen adwendwen kra no ema o cholesterol eko high just like say ebeka say esi kire ye glucose ye wo moja ne mu nanso the more a wo dwen no etumi ma o glucose no kosoro saa so na wo dwen too much one ema cholesterol ekosoro
wow
ena stress say uye bibi for prolong ade ba ko na uguso ye any especially so untumi nda especially ya yempe anadwenna anase bia anadwe se wo da no eno na wo de ye bribi foforo to wo no ewia na anasa na pa no na wo da anadwenda no so wodi nae ho e wa anadwenda so a ade a eno so affect wo cholesterol level ema srade wo nipadua ni mu ekosoro
enti ye fa ne se obi adwuma a wo ye no anadwo nkwa na wo ye mfa se obi ye security saa anadwo na wonna no so opon kra no pa no no koda na oda awia sha nan a anadwo de na wanya no e wo effect ma no
unse ye wo yaribia ye freno occupational way obeka say occupational defect and also obeka say occupational hazard say yaribia ye tanya out of yendada eduma ye eno so kan ade a affect nipedua no entumi ma nipedua no function well ti way ade a ababe part of us kwa say oye ho hwe especially enuanu mo hwe o Europe ni ade obi throughout the night anadwe obe oye hase na wakwa ye until during the day no kra no oti metro mu na say train ekofi no tum say na order like wa bre okasa kra no gram tum say nipedua no we nia no hype na unse sasra de no de man ye stubborn say one ewo moja ni mo enti enkakra no form to say clot enti form clot so moja no so den moja no enam bibi mu moja no enam pipes mu enti se srade wo moja yi mu na se ekosro na se form clot den esi block pipe no enti se kwan ni si saa na afi de adwen no enya moja enti at once na du baby a utumi nya blackout like assume to me bring ma utwahwe two at once so utuminya yebeka say akoma yare like cardiac arrest to say wakoma etumi esizi interno no na normally no medically no sabia o doctors omo nim die anase any emergency unit bi omo ben wa na quickly no na ne de abrochi ebe yusi bibia ye fe no fibrillator eno no aye machine bia ye de si wo so no ya press to make sure sabia akoma no be san eden sorry but through this no akoma no to me stop it instantly into what ho na wo nam ho a wo koba no unim ni a ekoso ewo wo nipedua ni mu as to whether say be a clot be especially I am grofota ekaso doc me o ha na say me boso ase me boso hiheme we clear kokobo of srade de ben broso ewo moja ni mu the more a boso hihyewo ana unze obi wo so medidi ana say
ejina ka say ye pegobe no say di wie sabon se na eboso hyehyeme obi so ho di water wi osi bi di water wi na boso obi kura say odi gari soaking sa na ne bo hyehyɛ no because we di gari enti no the more I would this aduane na onya satin kan wo mu no ebo kokko bi e kan se bi a kire
ana no wo gari ena cafe ena zigogogo me say ekrasam 2 yeah ekrasam 2 chemical components mienu bi a e make cholesterol ekra 2 particular chemicals mienu ewo mu eno no e make cholesterol.
Oh, okay. Me e dey chemicals ya.
Chemicals na but
bi wo mu a cholesterol ya fa ne sa.
Chemicals mienu 2 one cleaver e baako and the other one na menkai but ekra 2 main chemicals.
But you fa shey etirimu say sanuane na ye di a eye bibi wo ye ni pedwemu a e ma ye cholesterol kosoro. E ma cholesterol no e kosoro. In addition to nia ewo yankasa ye ni peduanum nti most of times na ya ye ta advice enkrofo say bia ebia ebati say bia wo fa so much caffeinated beverages embra ma ye ho kwan ma ye mbobo nuane bidin but in summary no meka say caffeinated beverages na say bibia caffeine ewo mu bia no e produce 2 major chemical substances eno no e cause cholesterol. Enti
doctor cholesterol no
minim obi a oye ni patiatia krokro abema but o se wa call hospital ama doctor say o cholesterol pa but ono so onye obi a onye vegetarian but edidie de emfa ne ho na mum coffee ya o kan ho asemi obenum na no pa kosi anwumro oye okay na chese ne nsunsu aso no
say na normally say ka say strade a aya sometime no ye de yeni judgment so bi a nipa no mu oduru ana oye kese nti bi a strade nko ana aye woni mu but strade a ye ken strade a enam wo moja ne mu intend the whether say o ye slim ana say o ye medium ana we ye kese and all that no utumi enya strade no ewo moja no membro so nti one to establish the fact no obi biara ewo strade certain amount of strade ewo ni moja no mu ni pedua no ehia se na dwumedi a ni pedua na sese edi no ebetumi edi that is 1 and 2 sa strade no so enam moja no mu no etumi ebro so yet say technically say too much of everything is bad. Inti ebro so eno na sometimes or most at times no. So woko na ukoye lab a yebeka say owo bia o cholesterol na eden cholesterol. Inti say cholesterol gradually no in the formation stage no eno na start say ACC sa ahumana moja no enemu no. Inti ebasa na eno ena enkrofo etabo enkrofo koko a obe complain say bia oboso ye wo ya obi wo ha bia ne boso ne ya ne boso ne ya na say ne boso hihye no so obi wo sa ota fele obe ka say bia kwakwesa say ne bo phone bi ase we nia no great way a kire wo say wo srade na wo moja ne mu no kosoro.
Okay, yenyina doctor Ncheche so na yefa efutu enfrim enti obehu se saa aduane particular bi no eda bia obedi bewie na ase fe so ho eyenkaebo ebi nso ho a yeye fe kire ho a eto da bi kura ya na ye didie ni esikasam economics no ene oje gobeyi a mami gare bebre no ahye no concrete ene se wo mu ani ni aka ye nsuo na beje mesron fo hia ho ensa nkota yare ma ho ena ade ba ko nso ayense ne nso won cheche we mu no ye wo ye ni patie tie mfa wani mbu se akasefo na enya cholesterol won so ebi ewo mu enti efi na ekọ no won so ma wani ena ho mfa cholesterol ho na doctor babia ehia me kese pa ye enam sem no obi wo ho a ukoto na didi a wa hwe ya wani bebre saa nipa no eye ne dada suban a wo mu enfa ne se na awotwe muwa no se wo keka enam a wawe nyina abomu a yefa ne se bia ya ponche a kaka de tipe ne aka nyina efi ne kon besi ne na ase wawe emuwa na wie se ya akokon so bia nke keka bomu a ngokọ be yedu na awotwe no wawe because obo ne hosafo ne se me de mepe nampa se nantwie nso keka bomu anka nantwie srede na awotwe no ware
atiye na se otiye
obi wo hokra woni tro eso ne obedie de odi ne chape na ne owie na hwe na ne bottom kro kɔ ne baby saafo no enye careful wo ho because sanam ne koye cholesterol yemu
ekoye cholesterol ewo yemu and not necessarily say ekoye but rather no so add to cholesterol ewo yemu dada no ema brebo no eye adwuma eboro so se brebo no ye adwuma eboro so a entumi control the level of srade na ewo moja ne mu biom nti ebasa no a na afi eno nti na technically na yetaka so obi bia owo cholesterol ne moja such way no so sa nipa no so eta hypertensive.
Oh, okay.
And nipa no so to menya this cerebrovascular accident no. I yebeka say stroke area.
Okay.
Because once enya sizi sana block ya adreno enya moja ehia. So once moja say call adreno mo distracted that means okwa enko.
Okay.
Affect ni no. Ye wo twi word bia enkrofota you say as obu ase neni no ase aya oyi impin oyi impin wonani ase something na yellow with cholesterol.
Oh sir. Nti de pio wani so no nti pempi no so uhu saade no wo ho a enya polo na achew
de be enya polo
cholesterol
cholesterol
nti se na be ya wo be hu no na epio wani ase
that is it
nti na wotwe bi mu wo ho ana se to da bi no wani aye ko na eyiba na eyiba
srade
enkase mi ti na ye me ya
no
enye oti na ye o ya srade ni bi na epiepie ya no pe wo bobo nsem so
well aside say eno no koso no etumi so affect wuti ko uti to me dwaw as ye de hama ebo uti no because that is ye be say have-sided headache etumi dwaw saa as ye de hama ebo mu no ebasa na say srade ne dum pempensu bi a even baby say moja no ekokọ no you see force into at that time no be who experience breed obi okodensa eto that place na niti ye na ye obi na etine ho no as ehome wo do nsa eto ho a wo feel say de be ehome as wo do nsa to wakoma na wo feel say wakoma kinkim no is the same thing that obi na say utina say ehome ni nia no circulatory problem as kwanya say moja no efa so no enya distraction ewo ahoma ni mu.
Okay, dear doctor person show no say ohu sansenchani wo nipadua ni mu a enhoma no asese moja ne fam no srade no asisim enti clota bam se ka clota megedi se ema ne de ensabuo me kire brayo enti munim clot so oye be ma so ne ka clot na on ti ase a o de fa ne se ofi junction he ya tenka he be se ofa kokomlemle nim ha ekopie the next traffic light na odu mfinfin ha kokomlemle he na ye de tire gu ho se a block kwan on se wontumi ngo enti se srade bi ko block kwan na moja ne na mu na waka akwantimfi ahafo aka entumi entwam cholesterol chew o yare enye asem na no. Okay, enti obi nso beka se enkomo amodi de asa wakọ asọrọ na sọfọ preaching sa ada na fa ho no asa sọfọ obi ni wo kokonsanche na wenye ni suade ho no bia na ye kan de etete wo pa me so doctor wa ha na doctor Chemate a wotie ne C4C ya asabia no ono no da no nti na sanse wo ho akade nti ena watimi nso chechu mu no nti doctor me ba na yakọ C4C wo ho na wa kire say ye ba ho ne wo sa tebia we mu abetumi aboaye but Facebook hanum say no Sami bia wa hanum say Sami also good morning ni bia da say when say or show you fi sort pon future GH da say and Steven so good morning pacho Steven mejo so pa DD graphics so say or show you future for price so okay baby am show you fi ni nyina ye da say na mom ka wo ma wasem bisa no efa nkomo ya ye di ho a eya apomode na doctor so wa he de nanka watumi aboa doctor de ya kika nyina no emfa ho se afi na obi hu sansunsanso no woni nipadua so anase wahu ache enso wontu ho anamo no C4C ye ba oje o
me ba cho nyame adom wo C4C homeopathic hospital no oje ewo ho
okay
ye hwe se ye be support before ene after wenyano.
Oh, okay.
Tinache say ye kwanya nyame adom yen ya bomoden akopiem wo man India. Ako formulate one particular C4C homeopathic cholesterol drop. Eno no 100% cholesterol drop. Eno no yede eboa obi biara. In fact, the whole Ghana, no, that is the only homeopathic cholesterol drops.
Okay.
Yatro C4C homeopathic cholesterol drop.
Hey, sir.
FDA so Ghana ajiatuma yede abe PMO or my Ghana yede eboa. No is to support yen lipid anas yebeka se srade level ewo ye moja ni mu no. Inti eboa supporte brebo no. Na supporte srade na wo moja ni mu no senia into me en like enye djuma embroso na wo so ye detect o se bia wo srade wo moja ni mu no so nkakra no so eboa with one particular liver C4C homeopathic livotone syrup and also for the liver support inti si kase cholesterol drop yehwe hunama kwa wa na wo nipadue ni mu SSA no ye responsible eboa na etoto yen srade no yie ewo ye nipadue ni mu inti ade C4C homeopathy ayarsabia yeto ensa afre obi biara kaswa yewo Millennium City kaswa Millennium City yewo Cape Coast in the central region Cape Coast opposite the Addison Square Gardens. Takrade yewo Fejai May Sport inti se wo hweyen efiri Nzema Takwa Sekendi all over Western region Bomodena Bra Takrade Fejai May Sport wo hweyen free Obuase New Abiem any part of Ashanti region, Kumasi, Konongo, all the areas within the Ashanti region, and as I wish I graphic, Sunyane, Bomode na bra, ejusu kwamu ejusu, C4C homeopathy asabiano ewo ene anapea sukosi memory da so me ankasa so mate na se ewo enkran Adenta SDA junction. Inti akosombofoɔ temafoɔ baby bi a wo hwɛ in all part of greater Accra region no bomode na bra ende anape Adenta SDA junction oba beto over about 3 specially Dr. George Siamwa ewo ho oba beto Dr. Jennifer so wo ho oba beto miankasa so ne other doctors omo ewo ho enkran doctors no do so Inte wo ba ye show 10 na wetu me akọ nti C4C homeopathy ewo sa akwanya no ya formulate C4C homeopathic pharmaceuticals nti mega say ye the India aba oman Ghana nti instead say wo be fa flight say wo ko India there bomode na bra most of mo hwe wo Europe abrochimemu UK4 and all that no ye wo Amsterdam, yewo Hollandred, yewo Holland asase so. Germany for so yewo Hamburg, yewo Brunner, ye friend no Langehorn mat, Germany asase so. Ho ene yedi yenjuma. Mega say so far so good. That is the only Ghanaian-based homeopathic hospital yedi yenjuma ewo Europe abontin so Amsterdam and Hamburg. First 100 callers, me pese and then anape your mouse special package. Special package, 50%. First 100 amobe free lines na ewo screen no enimuno. O free line na ude udin any baby okasa efiri. O akwenya enyesa o free na kaso me hia mo cholesterol drone bi da bi esese ye hwehwe wo nipedue ni mu. Ye hwehwe moja ni mu ye hwe ahoma ye baby a wo srade no efa ebimpo bia there is a blockage bi anampo se wukra lab ekire se ya diagnose wa wo ye friend is high cholesterol already the type of machine equipment are you using no different from the microbiologic machine many other hospitals no use. Into do ukra lab high cholesterol, but say yes and further checks on the internal moja no efremu no nti ye okwanya ye do fa so bebre se na ye betumi aboa ye nye pharmacy nti hu behia se ubetu anamon ebeba dan se obeka so mom na me medro ni be me pacho da bi eba sa yamboa nti bebi bia wo bia no branches bebre ewo oman Ghana eben Europe so nyame adom ye wo 2 major branches eno so Europe UK for Milton Keynes, Moben, Amsterdam, Italy for Belgium for and all that. So Moben, Amsterdam, Muswa Moben, Germany, Spain for and all that. Baby beer branch no ebe ono, but more than Ghana ha any Europe bra. Na yentu me mouth this special offer. Number ni is 050 00 40 328 050 00 40 328 and I said 050 00 40 331 050 00 40331 muso amwo Europe anase wo ebusuani bi so a owo Europe anase Europe for so amwo hwe number no +31 61 833 8997 +31 61 833 8997 numbers no so I was screen no so nti obetu me atro Europe line no o WhatsApp a ebeba bedu mi ankasa menchan ebia opese woni mi ankasa ekasa ana se wo some report bia opese mehwe ema wo de WhatsApp me ewo eye Europe line so a wonsa ebeka o frame me so a me wo Ghana de me nurse ni a or Europe ebefa airline no direct na waboa o locations no ne yen say but WhatsApp line no there +3161 833 8997 ofra ubenya me ankasa na yedi enkomo.
Okay. Enti ofra doctor no wo no ankasa ne number anase ne numbers no na WhatsApp no me sama wakwanya na wafre no wo bra o te he ya na wo asembise bia kakum waje no Dr. Kwaku enum na say wo de asa ho yare enti me so for 0302 211701 0302 211702 0302 211703 sa number si ebia obefre bia Dr. wa ha nemu mami mesa Maxwell asemi ma no de fa Facebook Maxwell say de bia odi kosua ya no amienu ebetumi ha na pomuden ana
me patro emboa unze because of the protein level nti aya yeta advice say kosua is good for the system but kosua because of the protein content any yen lipoprotein level na say ye control ewo ye moja ni mo no ebeya onti so and it shouldn't even be once a day. Say a week because 2 times a day not just say a week no ono kwa rate 10 enti meka say yeah onte so from 10 no onte so mbra 5 and kakanga krana onte so amano before that na me pese me confirm me unse na me ka say caffeine beverage beer any gary the 2 chemicals are a cause a masra dia wo moja nimu no e kosoro no baako coffee stall. Coffee stall. And a baako so caviar and na me kind. It's caviar ne coffee stall. We are the 2 chemical we are present in caffeinated beverages.
Okay.
As I say it to me
Well when enti as say odo ani kire C4C no. So Just say oka baako na ne refi baako no wa bomodia ko classroom akokai aba bebo amane yeda se pa yeda se but mame fa we so dia asem bi say na afemi nkobabra ho we say abrebia no otai nya heartburns no emfa ho ne aduane bia obedinti onye den we dem gidi sa no yiye no direct to call C4C say nyame adom omo branches no bebre wo my Ghana ntimantam bia wo mu no oben ho na Alfred doctor ne numbers no na wetumi aboa enti Christiana Adom megidi se mabisa wasem na ma mame nko menua be ho wa homa no so na fe ye misa ne de no hello Pacha omete won kana nka odum TV no enene maame a ohun aha nti pacha bra wodum volume no na ye ko wusu ansa ho aba mesa aba ho bio why hello wusu ansa.
Hello, madam.
Yes, so Usansa.
Good morning.
Good morning.
If I'm a child, if I send me bamu program, it should be.
Oh, I find that hot the what room put that damn in your bema.
Dog, some person be son, say me person me buy a dress of quam honor na you omoye my free equity emre bay.
Yo, Mr. Ojinasuneti no. Mr. Ojinasuneti, Doctor Kwamo.
Ejuada equity fiada.
Jo.
Yeah, Monday to Friday.
Jo.
Friday. Okay.
Yo, mini abema me did say what? Me da say afa yanko Barbara so hello Babs.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
I'm going to be official, and I'm enjoying holiday. But I am going to make my any package here, no do. And I'm a better country. And because of the weight, I say, the night, and a young sympathy, you're quite much to be a boy.
Okay, Doctor, Obama, bet me a woman. Yo, Auntie Barbara, nyame sure say wadwen wo maame ho, but Fred Doctor, why? Da yi wo say na wotwe mu nyina kra wo SD ho.
Akra
adenta ho ntinka na wotwe mu kra no, utimi do maame bo hwi ko anka abekwa akoto doctor nkasa, why?
Yeah, what akra dey.
Yanti takra don fa nembra fi Jaime Sport.
Okay.
Me were two specialists.
Okay. Yo, etimi nua ba okọ Fijaya takra dey. Aha, so a doctor for a bent so no why? Me da say. So here so na say doctor out in Kenya, wakoma chiro say me woni mogidi a. Odo ma me fita kra de bank ran abehwe na. Abroche kra ma for bobesia de o mayare for ko.
Say answer na ye be ko abroche no. Na enkrofo firi ho ba me nchen wa ha. Eno na motivate me a me ko be branch e wo ho no.
Enti Barbara, mo so adwen wo ma me ho but edidi kwan wa ate me da say. Yene Techi so ninkomo. Hello Techi.
Good morning.
Good morning, Pachapo.
Apo, Nyadmo, Oswapo.
Nyame adom meso me ho ye.
Baby me fa Dr. Noma, Europe Noma no. Me de ma me ba o Europe wo. Na o se o friend ko.
And I want sending a message so because I type say WhatsApp. Dr. Mr. Ya no money.
Pacho, my name number, but number no was screen no and +31 61 833 8997. Into one case I'll be to me a try see I'll be to me the Ghana line after see na say am pass enko na say and aside say normal call no so to me so enemy daily on WhatsApp but normal call no obi a otie bia no fra ebeko +31 61 833 8997.
Okay, intimisho fanasem here. So obubo no na content ma wa numbers ni nyina go screen so ko sise ye bepon enti hotimi ye ha na wabobo na wasie ni de be ma obeka number no save no C for C na the 4 and a C why now to me akai. Hello brother David.
Hello Pacha, good morning.
Good morning Pacha, it is you.
Nyame adomo.
Ye de nyame ase Mr. Doctor Tio.
I'm Pacha obey 1998 na me team started say eye me do. Na I am sama ko hospital kwa me team say sometimes no say minti mo no me to me nsa na ya me go say eye kekre na so say so ma me BP kosro me to say cholesterol na eye me sa na say but ya di hampa mama spinal cord ni na ya me ya ma hospital kwa My fed up.
And you're fed up. I'm saying, baby, you're calling in C for C, Dean. Into this time, look, C for C. Why? And you're fed up.
Yeah, I with Central or Canada, one possibility so say, Sradiano Emma or BP,
okay.
Until within Central or Canada, there could be a possibility. Send a mechanical, your machine are you using a strong, a more specialized way into Bomadena bra na into me and wow.
Okay. Eti minu abema enye fed up wate fa numbers no screen so na baby a doctor will be a branch ben wono ko hono na ontumi emwa Reggie so say hello doctor abribia no onya heart burns ene etipaye dia no odin pa me so be yi Reggie dia na no ama no but yenko yenua ho hello Evelyn. Hello Evelyn.
Good morning
Pachapom.
Yamina Dimo, me bacho she.
Yamia Dimo so ho ye Mr. Doctor Tio.
Me bacho yo. Me bo doctor ba so fa.
Mother say.
Na me pesanka oya nya dum na nko be bie di wo tufu pra so maye.
Yo.
Na me baba ba ko. Onezu na oyare. Onya we ni di asthma nti me ma ye di ko free ho. Nyame adom ninru no aje akwala no. Nti me pese ka otum be bie bi wo pra so ha. Tan se me bo ni hu de wuro etre nkonfo wa ha pa. Ibo a lolu sent o so ntumi nko. Ibo a me che won cape nso a wo so wo hu ho. Nti ye ba sire de se nka o me bie bi wo ha. Na nka hafu nso bibi nya omotumi akọ
me aba ehefa pote na do ba ne koye no branch ben a odoben brakwa
ma odoben
jo ye da so what doctor bejo number no be fro why
me ba che
etimpacho me nua be ma ya na mami we ne number no fa to homa doctor why na on frɛ no you see onipa nwuma na di na chi no ye no koye no fragadama so te he nko nim so obefreu nka wa fregu nanim ase enti no onipa nwuma edi na chi enye wona abebɔ da wuro no bebreba wonwuma edi wachi ye ne asie do nso nkasa hello
Hi sister, good morning
asie do mpacho apom
Yesu adom me hu ye na ba cho munzo
Yesu adom krona na ye de te ha bie Mr. Doctor Tio
mba chiro mpese bisa doctor maybe about 7 years ago me were Presbyterian Church of
Oh, Esiedu, Mr. Safra mi bio ate. Wasem no hia pa Safra mi bio. Reggie asem no. Aha, o say abrebia obedidi no nya heart pains na the tissue pile no pa.
From the way I all can there could be a possibility of a blockage or some of the arteries in him. Once the arteries no na moja no enemo into the strade edomo a ma circulation so a problem. It is a moja into me nko ye a basa na on say oboso no say wo hwa ahoma ahodo a moja won enemu into basically anytime unya that particular obstruction no affect ema oboso hwehwe wo oboso efon wo and all that.
Okay. Enti Reggie me no wanka mefa doctor number no na mafro no ankasa na manya nkyeremu no mo no masanso tu ho anamon na saade no efro esa won say uye onipa bi o ha ti nipa mkra na ye Mr. Mahwefo mfa nche na ho kra ye hi hello Derek.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, Derek.
Yeah, hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho, me person can be Dr. Sam.
Quite the how do Dominia Bema.
Na lab test no, you see me cholesterol no 243. That person be say high and that is.
You know say ka chen say 243.
Say the cholesterol no 243 there high. Because say me start no make say for enkola from 19 below no there. As I say, less than 200. And now for MP4 19 and above, no, and also I say less than 170.
Oh, okay.
It's a
and I will do 243
as the AD.
Brother Derek.
Yeah, hello.
You there online? Brother, what trajansi yo? Nyame ne kura umu. Why? 190 ahe. Who say
170. I say less than 170.
And I when you 2
and I need an 240.
Enti me yan kunta kakra 170 200 nukra 30 na beka ho. And I say 47. Enti me fan say 77 na beka. Oh brother. Fred doctor numbers no go school.
I had too much on emoji anymore. Yeah. I had too much on emoji.
77. Emma ehun so mo.
Yeah.
What Derek? Emma ehun mo. Name Fred doctor na omwa. Why? Me fa me last caller pe. Me pacho hello. Okay, say menya last caller no dia na me fa ensi hanom say kiss me say mo amoba na outdoor ni nyina. Nyame hira mo kiss me. Yeda se me da se so do ba to me why Diamond Junior me ma wakọ ababa wiase ewiase ne nyemre nanso so de no kredie ene ahobrase betena mu a bibia be ye kamama. I wish you well. What Diamond Junior me da say enti ye fancy hanom say ne mom doctor numbers no ehu hian wo screen you see wo de ohwe na obobo na be ha wa twa so ho ne Fred doctor na fe omo afa o cholesterol no ye tidy goben ma ye fa hia ne ahokere ense ye ho concrete sa coffee fo no so enye krachesem eni raba na me ye ra na me ye krache na coffee na me nom bewu doctor that's
not necessary coffee only me say because of laws regulations between to me some of them now obobo out to say but at the consulting room there we are allowed and the oba consulting room you bet to me natural but obi biara or share we are diabetic and say we see train was so o mo jamboro so mesraw sankrofo mienu but more than because you are formulated BP fort and also here India base and L118 drops cholesterol at the sanyama way no eba it oba you share complex situation na yetume aboa
yate yeda se samo dankwa o manate wonkra no enti yede yenkomo twetwe no esi ha o ma Jocelyn dankwa na Joshua dankwa happy birthday to them that's say enenso odi adaje ni bi fam yen na wahwe efisem komo twetwe wo Adom TV so me de si ha afei o man hene kwabena sante the birthday man ene na bedwa for bet na se de pensem mu no aba besum ko so ahwe Adom TV efise ye wadoye me din de ma metra Diamond me da say good morning.
So grateful to Ajibre. So also should be make house just after the Easter break. There's that drive and that energy to think Ghana and push Ghana and do everything Ghana. So patriotism for your country and the love for your country is very, very, very important. Quick one, Frankie Taylor, Yako, on the 17th, which was my birthday, Easter Sunday, your mom and your brother, brother, hospital, Panyai, off from the US, Ghana 2 days or so, and your mom too as well. Till on the 17th, it will go down in your life. One terrific Easter Sunday, but God knows best. Namika said, shedding. Frankie Taylor. We are back to life. For 4 now, so Munti, it is the pledge. Me now do the show. O my hene kwabna santi. Na na madara man me use my mo fan chemi. Me yamfo hene. Me and all the asoso Kenya number 1 and 2. I am for a brew papa bi or then ho papa bi yamfo hene your House of Chiefs for your president. Me Alice Kopi. Me Alex Zibwa. Me Yakubu Chipsa, me Nana Billy. Faudin Shaukake. So what I say. No, I shall boss over din she share din kunimde any ye din in puntu ever bre ahafo ma. If you become a proud Ahafonian, a just original Ahafo, under the able leadership of our Minister George Boache, and then our lieutenants, our potential president, Ekopuku, our wisdom port, Collins Dowda, and our ably supported by Almighty Frida Prempe and Ira Bano, Dr. Benjamin, and Afi Ira Bobby, Deputy Minister, Youth and Sports, and then Ofaya Bruni Venture Capital, the Council of State Rep, even though he's shot, which I really don't like it. MPP for the AFASU in terms of AHAFO. I don't like it. It's not appreciative, you know. But we are grateful. You won't pay binumu a war a buy with mu. Also, Omoboama AHAFO. The Nim Koni can connect we a year payo. Who our pledge now? Ghana is the bigger picture. It means I wash Osha half a bar. She Ghana boss obey Nyoma ese fata edition so. Nama Ghana and 20 medimuna every pay your sonko. Everybody who wake up so kukum so wo a year sankore so wo yamfo so wo when fee so wo a year with mahiniso a free speaker. Baby I'll be a oh baby I'll she be a Kenya say 1 and 2. Oh baby I'll mahiniso ntotroso baby I'll she be a chinsu a papa bi or hima papa bi or just be a proud Afonian. Holding hear me no. And be a proud Afonian. Say the baby to me a boy for a manager. Your homecoming is in check. Well, I pray the Akoti and free Bruno. Timmy Abun is all me anymore. Or those reports will be making. Oh, my ya prayer, the attitude is and I say, your brony half. They will be saying, no, will be a pretty. It's more Bruno is for most one sema. And Bruno for most one sema. Ana half ya sema. Fortunately for half no. Unyame ada romanya ho brasim journalist akuku dampa mutimi kasama nipa dodo na tie firi half. To he na na akese half. Efia mankwata makro half. Sports Obama was half. Oman conference half. Eti mo bunu no mo so munya mo de. Mo bunu is mo so munya mo de. Mama from the Susan and Maggie. Dr. Kwaba.
Yeah, only owns a manager would do. Nanka was so, maybe Susan, Bono, and Afuno, maybe a woman because only I know. So, sir, imagine like being a them. When you see, but I am a corner. Yeah, I say I am no pa. Bernie Brabia, I want dinner that it's not to me ton regional. When we say and a boama region, and a baby, if I refuse a nipa teacher, a free ye regional, a bron and a half no. That's by saying Chichimuki to be a babano dear, still ye come boom. Nipa teacher. Now, once Yansu, I did a mere share and say, oh, you don't want no share. Yes, oh, you don't want a physical baby. You obey beer, obey yen or quampasono, Yami bedroom, no was Shraman, so park, so. And see, Yadawasi, because a woman, 1 hour, which is on a walk from Naka, they also very you will be because you want near my power. Yeah, can't Nipa be man paying or Ghana Hania de Bonana, if you are producing. Yeah, over Buzian, you say, I be producing. I teach you, I drink, I shake it any. And one of the finest Benemonia, and this is Usu, a champ, Usu. Yes, Minister, oh, majority leader, and minority leader. There are a lot of individuals who move free your region more or more bobra as some crabby father temo. You can mention a good number of them. Become hini say room say open apart from say or ye on hini no or ye medical doctor. Become hini. Yes, so ordinary human atunje or sign some because you regional hospital or some across the world as some in terms of the professional say medical doctor. And you want the particular Ora Ansu Ora Nick Miami open ABTS. Yeah, ABTS team Apreku. Some of their Ghana in terms of in reality powerful Moduma and in you want Niama Emma your regional Equanima Nipa was some of mine Alpha Quenya sending us. And Tibibian Yama Ninji Yankan we say yo bibi. Thank you so much. As you feel, you Professor Amel was late. We have been crazy. As you feel, you make us a montimas. As you feel, it's a be united. The only shut-up minister, Babeka say, Era Quada said in the Fuma, MP minister for a region. And deputy minister
for local fisheries, and local government. Yes, in the one team, a staunch member of the NDC. In fact, the people who say Mampenya or the party nearby, the boys, if the former president was late, that's my boy. As a one way, Jumanache, when him the Wetimayabua NDC party, Central Region, so Nepenso as a minister for the region, Nema Bibria, and also Boa region, I think the only thing that's still, that's what challenge is going to continue to be the sugar factory now. But thank God, there's going to be a revival.
Yeah.
Maybe I come on.
Yeah, very fine. This trip people call Eastern call Volta region.
Okay.
Into the reception that I got there was,
it was super.
Yeah, Leclerc Besia.
Okay.
Togbe Konda, any canal, Typhlosteria.
Okay.
And all the people of Leclerc Besia.
Okay.
I mean,
you decided to go and hide and chill.
Oh no! Decided to go and hide there. I know my ancestry.
Yeah.
I trace
you route
to the route because and I've been.
Oh, so we're domestic homecoming.
Yeah, it's my yes idea no for since I think for about 105 years we've disconnected.
Okay.
Into one mom history in there, this is where like the woman that brought all of us to Central Region. Into I just needed to go and trace and get to the core. And that is my father's side. Luckily for me, I got people to tell me the history here. I mean, it was beautiful. Good. It's just like my connection to
Tuabodom.
To Tuabodom. You see, with the fantasy, most of us came from. Techiman. Let me put it that way, Techiman. But at that time, Techiman was a big community, including Tuabodom and all those places. Inti Sebakaya, Abra, Yebudu, Yenina, Fantifunia, Yebudu, Mankisimina, half what power who what the fast hono. It will be said, one amuno, what power who are work on. What can they Nana, a confina, Sifuna, or Ben, one or that for home. That is why my area, my mother's traditional area, they call us a Kunfi traditional area. People don't know the Kunfi word. That is why the chief, the paramount chief.
Chief no paramount, a Kunfi.
Now, Ibamu Kruma, me great grandfather on here Bahono, often Akwakuchemenu. And Akwakuchemenu is a typical brown name. We have our chief god, Ahono, Kwesin Kumsa. Kwesin Kumsa was, Oyada Edifi Bron, Yedibenti, say, names be our Owo Ekunfia, there. Most of them are, into connection with Ono, Afansa, maybe call that side, so
Okay.
It's always good to know your ancestry.
I see. So we are back from the Easter break, and then maybe 1 or 2 years as a country, citizens, no. You to 2 years home for be and Sanyako, probably a bit tough on realities in the country now. What would you suggest to this country, Ghana, in terms of your attitude, in terms of your focus, in terms of your maybe especially rainy season, what do you expect us to do? We are back. It's a break, but we are back.
Seriously, say into Kwaya. Okay. I mean, I used that road and
it was terrible.
I tell you. But
which road is that?
The Peki to Hohoi Road.
Peki Hohoi. Okay.
Yeah. But I tell you from the beginning in Peki itself, Peki towns, if you enter into Afajato South now, or terrible.
Okay.
But work in progress.
Okay.
Me did there as a country, no. Say obiari ye na femiza. Ewa. Inka yentra yenka the MPP why them, NDC why them. We all understand where we are going, but we don't have a goal as a country. As I say, and I believe it's about time yenya one particular goal. If they come, they follow. If we come, we follow. Then we know that we have.
Because
everything I hear is about most Morian, Massasa, Ewa, and I said, Pedemusiano Crampa, and Pinfino Walker, what says, Utanfu Usiawa Sawa, and no Chanapa. I mean, it will be a better place for all of us if we can see ourselves and call ourselves brothers. As I say, I can't one particular thing. When we were maybe university, I don't know, we see ourselves as either roommates or hallmates or faculty mates or whatever. But right now, if you go to the university now, you have the TESCON people, they don't meet the 10 people. I mean, it's like into Wamama, I didn't start from the schools. Into by the time you come out into the system, then already you be my enemy since university. You were TESCON, I'm 10. We don't be into Wamama. I did politics now, so something which is there, we can have some. Because I believe there, no matter what we do, we can do our hardline politics. But there, look, we are one people. You know, funny enough, me, those times when I was contesting for MP, I tell the people that, look, you don't need to fight me because you belong to
the other side. All we know is the only thing that you can't change in your life is the family you come from. Mm-hmm. Me abredini, me abredi. I can't change it. But tomorrow I can decide me politics, me MP, NDC, me CPP. But Ebusia there is there. And if we take the whole country as one big family now, you realize there, look, hey, yesterday I was a Catholic, today I'm a charismatic. I mean, we move on with life. Life is not stagnant. We are moving. So we should just forget about this animosity. But within your party, you have faced some of these real challenges that most of your friends are MPP people. So they see you, sometimes they see people like you, Semono, they can't trust you, they'll betray you.
Oh no, me, Obiani and this Obaka don't trust me.
No, because it's not about
I understand you. Yeah. But like me, for instance, you see, I've had friends way back. You know, luckily some of us, we left school before 1992. Into leaving school before 1992, no, that time there was nothing like politics, NPP, NDC. Into mama here friendship, no, we're tight. Yeah. Into those of like me mate, I mean, when we in school, people that I've known way back then, no, we're NPP for no, we still relate. But funny enough, over joining Frey, no, after 1992 coming down, no.
No matter, sir.
Yeah, I mean, it's like, hey, muhuwa, we don't have to agree. But you see, me, I always believe that you see, I'll meet him on the field. I'll play him hard. You know what I mean? Not I'm playing him hard because I hate him.
That's the field.
That's the field. Yeah. On the field of play. Yeah. I mean, it's like boxing.
Yeah, we are brothers, but we are playing.
We are playing.
You are with Kotokwame.
I don't hate you, but we have to play. We have to play. We play the game. It is simple. Not the wicked, but must be the wicked base. Yeah, we are. To say that is where we Ghanaians we don't go beyond the political game. When it's politics, this man, if I see him, especially as I'm contesting for national organizers, I'm very national organizer, and I'm baby now or your rougher, what to my handle in a nice way. You know, because of this, I did that to you. So chill. No hard feeling. Yeah, that is there. But people take it beyond
World Cup.
Yeah, but if after political season, you know, if you go to some countries like Ethiopia and like after political season,
no politics
on the only way.
The country.
No, they will come and arrest all of us. You don't do that. Say, re-election, they forget about everything. They have 3 months politicking and everything. After election, one person comes out a winner. Well, announcing we are. Now you see, like on your panel, water expert in Suyorbote, store water in the Ehun. But you see, our society, but I think we'll get there eventually. You know, the 2020 election taught me a big lesson. Gradually, Ghanaians are moving to one angle. They don't care whether you are MPP or NDC. If they will realize there, you will be the best person to represent them now. They push you. Look at Central Region. Central Region, NDC got 13 seats. But the presidential election, we won only about 3 constituencies. So it's telling you that maybe the people there, they want to, though predominantly they are MPP, but they want this man there as their MP. They will push you. And we don't have to forget about the people who push it. Yeah, definitely, because at the end of the day, this is not an area. Okay. NDC will win. Okay. Win. Then the people have high hopes in me. Okay. I think we have to take our politics to the next level.
All right.
Where I don't care where you come from. Once you can do the work, I'll work with you.
All right, so Doc, kakra after Easter break,
issues of health kakra. I'm saying so in so to be brave say na ye hu say enyema be miensa ebi wan he ogata mu yie na wanyi yu kwan nim na ya hwe kwan a ye dan a ebetimi abuagu ye nso ya hwe ho nsema the structure integrities of properties and as a buildings team no ya hwe ne ye ebetimi abuagu ye so na de ba kokore hu kura ne cholera ne typhoid around this time enti science na education about young wash and start ye duane making sure say very hot and senior dinner dadini no ye making sure say betimi asia asom na ye mfa ngu nchen na sema minu e kan me ne ya adwen bebre e fa your politics open e say tia say at every point in time where ya brabo mo no the country Ghana any your interest in Ghana should be bigger and greater than the sum of our individual ambitions, differences of birth, religion, tribal affiliation, any event is saying a political affiliation. Ghana or minor is your no say so sin sanyama wenyina say minor so sin sade wo ye me no ya adwemu a ye tu anamo me nka so ye NDC anaso ye MPP nti ade ne nya ache chinchin anche me sombi da bia me ka ekwan me mra me nya kwan atransi akasa bia say wo hwe politics o Ghana ha you abushan bi mu we fan ye NDC obi fan bi ye MPP eno nkire say omo ye watamfo me ukọ brekuma hwe o maame Mary Boachi former MC wowu ekọ DC na ye menua ba ofie menua pan kire ebo a na be ye efani say DC o DC you know not under Kufuor penso onu nso firi ono me papa ekiri baba me papa firi mu no onu edi me papa de me kan say me papa onu nso na be ye DC MC ama NDC. So what must say? It tells you that within even a family, no, a family NDC some two, a family. But we should not find the door na any MPP for. And on interest, the can no more NDC for no among Enkabusiano. And they say this time same way. Say I said, political parties in here supporting. I say historical. Who call Roman? No, be sure call Pentecost. And interest who did you know how to say? At my say, ni office ebe buani. Obi wa ni de say odi nyama nkyerɛkyerɛ Roma sorry dem ye be kyerɛ. Obi nso pese asoro ade say anopa wi anwumre obɛbɔ tons a akosi. Na etwa fast na ahodo amawo. Ene ne okra so pɛ no. To bia ne ne kondo ban pen bebre no aya ne ye fi. Na ade ha adwene say politicians na di sansem nyine na aba. Say be duru say ye beto aba. Na e ma obi ahu say we kan say we kromu afo aye say we can say me free bonafo eboa brekum ni this year chini obi a ne onye brekum e friend say me constituency MP oye minua hwe busuan no ma origin mboate but me no contest primaries before and no just bibia within the party me free brekum no me yiri free voter region nti me ma no abono any fragment into untimi medina ba bi nka asem mfa for ma me njira ne bomu ensere nsa because me trust adnyema wo ye na mo na wotu no adwin papa be ntachire because yen kan say ya abusia ko ba ko me kan say adidini pa ko mamu ase me bi atwam na me hwe me ne mia menua NDC Federal ya hwe football one sport World Cup, one of those World Cup under 20. The day you more, you know. Yeshana, the day share the penalty. Nay, meaning na story bam ye we who jump here within some moments. Na minya corner me pia na obia so ready match your basi. Lawyer na na woni NDC no mo hage mo say NDC no na cross asembeni but the nipa no the refi say
we ndi Kumasi now NDC e bo how your office
yeah refi say ye bushia ba ko your man kro ba ko adisi konkro ma ne ye na ka ho bi nti tisa anyema we yas na che say the difference between NDC ni MPP ye policies any ideologies e ya adwenkyere any anamo ye betumi atu ye de ateneti your man na ko nanim because obi ti say ablakwa I've known him over the years from university. So, Dr. Badwam, I've known him over the years from university. Harry Nadusi, I've known him over the years from university. What may say? I am for some George, we've been friends. Fellows of us, fellows will not sit them somewhere and insult me. Because, me no, to say, and I don't interest, na namo to know, Mr. Soso, in terms of the support for the political party. I don't know, I could did in the Panatem. Obetimi aka asema bia me kra ne maninje metimi afrɛ sɛ masa wontumi nya ne sɛ ya kyerɛkyerɛ adwen ba empem bebre no aya na yen political parties no yentumi emma san kyerɛkyerɛ nkofo ma nipa ntia sɛ so obi ye NDC nya ne nkyɛ so onye nipa ɔno hwɛ Ghana ni obi ye MPP nia because unim emra kufuo penso na Owura Dambotwe no general secretary na those student politics yesoma ye mo bi mu na ye kɔ ne na voter region sɛ ye kɔ akɔyɛ campaign me wonyema bia me stress because those are na MPP your presence in the voter region na strong to say opanyo na nim bibi nipa na oye NDC omo organizer or constituency ba ko no na sa nipa na so no apeji krata so oye MPP youth organizer na nipa na mo a just na me ko kontu ko me ko voter region na obi ahia na oka kasa na chiro ontin so tina bisa me dinidi bisa na kyerɛ me sɛ din a kyerɛ oni pa de ɔsɛw na nipa so ekokon so nti mu fi sɛ minua ɔmo kyerɛ me call office na office na ɔte no na nipa ba ko no double as NDC
na MPP
because ofi sɛ all sabotage one political party nti ya sitrani ya na montuo no ye man no kora ni parepare ye edi ya nhihye ni kwan ya fa so toto niema nka ɔman ne bɛkɔ nanim pepepe nti beni age yen kan hu se abusua de yen titi ntwere se na menu kan there's nothing like ex family member, there's nothing like ex brother, there's nothing like ex Ghanaian ubeye Ghana ni ubetimi akoye citizenship of other country near there but ekonya de na akona yehwe wani ne yehwe okala ne de ade a wo dem ka be dwane abafie abe pressure ampa oye Ghana ni nti abribia ne ma Ghana ne nyekese ensi nyema aya edi tu sa na mo.
Okay, so that's it. We finance what you baby abutu awutibia no just let Ghana and ndi wanim kan is very important before the other aspects no ebe follow suit. Yeba yen komo so no I want us to just a second look at the EIU report. Now remember the details of the economy na kasa how ebinimo so adwene akire say abanshi share so for the egu akwa no enye strong enough. What government needs is that political will. Eba sa conversations. But this morning I read it a bit of political shock rather. The Economics Intelligence Unit has tipped the opposition National Democratic Congress as the party with a higher probability to secure victory in the next general elections. But the organization highlighted one condition based on which this prospect can be materialized. This was made known in the EIU's 5-year forecast for Ghana, released on April 13, 2022. According to the London-based analysis, their assessment shows that the opposition party will have to part ways with its leader, 2022 flag bearer John Dramani Mahama. The former president has led the NDC into 2 unsuccessful election campaigns in 2016 and 2020. As President Akufo-Addo concludes his final term in 2024, the opposition is expected to face off with whoever the governing New Patriotic Party will put forward as its new leader, in the wake of numerous challenges plaguing the government, including unemployment, an economic downturn, and corruption, among others. EIU believes these developments will fuel citizen sentiments against the ruling MPP administration. But the conditional clause is that NDC they should change their leader.
So I'm perfect to
we can't do another but
No. Well, I read. We can't. No. I read this.
But yeah, you respect them.
Oh yeah. I mean, why one analysis? But it's not everything that they say comes to pass.
Exactly. That's why I respect that.
That is their one over here.
Before I mean, back to us. Young can say. Since someone
99% of Omanans.
100%, not 99%. It's 100% of our predictions be warning against parliament, losing parliamentary seats.
Yeah.
In the round
no, they are on point. What is about these predictions?
No,
but he understands that. But Okajo says they cannot get its entirety correct.
Yeah, I mean, in every research, you are a researcher too. In every research, you give room for
some
plus or minus 5. That one on one I trust I don't know who they interviewed, but they have a way they do their things. I'm not going to rubbish one reporter here, but it's one thing there. We in the NDC, me, maybe particularly, let's say me in the NDC. I know whoever will bring me already till today. I know whoever will bring. Being it Mahama or no Mahama, we are still going to beat them.
Do you feel a time or so?
No. I mean...
Time or so for the NDC to come back?
Yes. But you see, for us to beat them and beat them resoundingly, we need President Mahama. I mean, that is what I believe. Until they lose in there, they will lose. But to who? But we know already where we are going. We know we are winning the election. As I say, we know we are winning the election. But they are saying, look, let me tell you one funny thing. You see, sometimes, I don't know how people read politics. If from where I am coming from, anybody who have any ambition to contest
John
Mahama should hold on and come after 2026, 2028 and 2026, because, you see, every time and season brings its own leaders. So it's not by fluke. You see, nature have a way of bringing somebody from nowhere and make the person a force. I remember I had the same chat with President Rawlings before. I told him that he should just relax and let JM run the show, because at the end of the day, every time and season comes with its own leaders. That I say, and JM was then the new kid on the block. You can't touch him. You can't say even if he dares and maybe go into an election with him, it will be something else. Until that time, it was the time of JM, and JM's time hasn't passed. The fact that he led two unsuccessful he's gone into two unsuccessful election doesn't make it there. Obi called two unsuccessful, but at the end of the day, he eventually became the president. He was there 2008, 2012, 2016 or man. That doesn't mean there. But me in the NDC, I believe our best chance is to present President Mahama. I mean, if you know that sentiment, even some of our own party people, even sometimes brings up those sentiments and that kind of thing. But I don't have a problem with them. I mean, we are in one big family. Might be different. But hey, the agenda is to capture power in 2024. Whoever becomes the flag bearer. But me sitting here, I can't see anybody coming close, even getting about 10% contesting President Mahama.
Not even the Dufos.
No, you see.
Not even the Kojo.
Bunsu and Kojo. You see, I like the way they are coming into the fray. I mean, it makes the whole game very beautiful. But, I mean, look, if I'm a politician, if you ask me to advise them now, I'll tell them, rabble rouse small. When you get to a place now, then you just chill. At least make yourself known. Because, you see, the younger ones are what you're demanding, what year for
Future.
You know, Agenda 2028.
No, Koyo was winning.
Is it?
Koyo was winning flag bearership.
Oh, we need flag bearership. We'll still beat MPP, but it's very highly unlikely. I mean, look, Master, we
President Tree Pasano.
No, because I know there is no way. Master, there is no way. Look, if we are to go into primaries today, believe you me, I'm sitting on your platform.
Nobody is coming closer.
If all the forces together, they even get 10%, then they've done well. You understand me? If they get like 10%, they've done well because 2020 was more fiercely contested than what I am seeing now. Yeah. I hope you understand me. You see, they need political advisors seriously because me, if I sit where I am sitting, no. Oh, Master, you see, me. I don't care about whoever want to contest, whoever. But me, I'm me political eyes. Makasa aja me there. I mean, look, it's highly impossible, Master. You know that, yeah. They might hey, I will form this, I will do this, I will do that, I will do this. But at the end of the day, you have all those ideas, but you were part of the party. You know, you see, me, that is one thing sometimes I don't like about people. If me and you, we are all working in the same organization. Now say it was ideas be and because I'm the CEO, because you know that you are lacking in the corner, waiting there, let me hold my. I mean, Master, that it doesn't make sense because I believe in a group contribution.
So the report is something that they have reported, but
they've reported it. I mean, that is what they feel. Nobody, I don't have any problem with that. They have said it. As I say. So it's here in our day, we have to prove them wrong. If 99% or 100% of their predictions come true, maybe for once we have to disprove some of their proofs. Okay. Me, I don't because me I can't see my now this time and age, this particular period here with me. I can't see anybody leading us than JM. I can't see it because as a marketer, look, if you ask me, look, JM hasn't gotten to a saturation point. When a product gets to the saturation point, that is where you try to either rebrand or do whatever. But JM hasn't gotten. Only them peak now. Obe take news. Only yet. Until at the end of the day, no. Some obimu wakadama. Oya, betrawa amejunu hudi na misre. These guys, do they really know what they are talking about? But also what I think is not the same. It's not the same to you. It's not the same to my brother. But we know we are winning the election. Okay. Even today, if JM decides that he's not contesting, we are still winning. But it will be an easy win with him than any other body, any other person. Okay. As I say. So me, it's why your hope is, it's good and that kind of thing. That one.
Doc, but my NPP for any a certain courage be any how to say wow, we are almost there.
Of course. I'm seeing men can't see me. We are so do not done a bit more that. And Sebin Predestin with the greatest respect to the former president. Owura Dramama, it is a MPP, a gentle dada. We know how to deal with him politically in terms of elections. But me can politically. We know how to win elections against Owura Mahama. You see, in some you can and this for no, you so more ancient and may regional, a shame crying. Now, my say, near my say, yet 2 years and sana the next elections in Arsenal. Now, we are MPP member, we are under the hearing of my voice in even the forgotten part of the country. She said, emra so se be kan ho bom ne ye adwumaden ne asum ne ye campaign na ye minister we appointee of the government we ye adwuma ne ye prove say e say it mean NDC ka opposition na ye sustain growth na ye de omani fam no open oni bibi hwe the last elections Ura Mahama lose by how many votes?
500,000.
Over 500,000 votes.
Disputed elections.
Oh, when now quarter now fact BB and now disputed. It cannot be disputed because
no.
Only BB
900 and something.
Only BB. Mama can't say quarter. You ought to substantiate your argument with substantial substances. You cannot just go there and say so. Just my winning. No. Not even one single pinch. And then 2012 now, the pinch it call your coach say, young Kofre Abraham and associate to come and check the papers. So KPMG, accounting firm of one of the greatest across the world. Number it's your moment of the documentation and check Nyakusi. Nyan bi wan asem ye ka nyan saa na ekwa bisa so me na menum tin o electoral commission ya mami biscuit nyan ho asem na ye ka se obi contest elections no opanyin elections unim say MPP na ye members of parliament bim na nye popular because can we say Akufo-Addo won in close to 150 constituencies across the country. Yes. Yes. Central region correct. Akufo-Addo winning several areas MPs lose here. And it's also the performance of the presidential candidate vis-a-vis the members of parliament and the parliamentary of parliament because we won the election overwhelmingly. Because I said Ura Mahama the disputed elections are winning by how many votes? Because I said Ura Tamils the first elections are winning now if I currency or winning by saying just 25,000 votes. Time. Okay.
Yeah, time.
But 25,000 votes, no other winning elections. There's no president and the second term all running into elections. One winning with the amount of voter. Not even 300,000. Ura na Adom Akufo-Addo and winning my MPP. MPP. So the MPP is still the biggest political party in this country with a solid foundation. See, we are a party, we are well organized. A person who says MPP is well organized across the world and even in Africa. There's no political party. Now, in less than 9 hours of the elections, what we put together the results of once, twice, consistent with that. Because we have the structures, we understand how to run elections, and we know how to win our elections and count our results. We know how to do it. We know how to collect our results. Now, nyama abayin iye, opayin, enegane ni bebre nipa nya yenuma na ye no sunsanso. Kwa be na bebo ma nyama mo ayi kakra. But within the next 3-4 months, enema be sesa Ghana ma Ghana mu abaye de, ama Ghana obi ehun. Say MPP send your omanpayin na Adom Akufo-Addo no. Ye nimkwan ya yetimi turn the economy around. Na dey ntimi nyane say se nipa wu a ye ntimi fa ne mankwamu. Because ye will measures say dey Akufo opayin hwe and na Adom Akufo-Addo ye ma omu ko school for free. One e koto aba ma obi na ne ba kotua school fees. And na Adom Akufo-Addo ye nurses in teacher training allowance Ura Mahama obeyi free wono. Nti obade na be ka che nursing na teacher training ya ba be restore dey na be ka chiro mo. 7 months. Ye ka say o come no. Opayin so be do ka e better so dey ni paka. Ano obi anoka. Ye wa area so ye bitua. Yamba ye no Ghana na ambulances no 70%. And na ye buy under MPP na Adom Akufo-Addo. Every part of the country ye new train ya doa ye ma ambulances. One district, one factory. And then many kikako 130 a year. After over close to 200,000 people mu ye mo Ghana. Ekufi efudu wura ekujus ukrom. So unim kasa events o mama ye
kasa di
omudi na de ntanka mitrimu. Omudi sweet potato ye pizza ne sa ne man donut that or central region. Called the northern part of the country, Ubehu, if anything, watermelon processing plant, Comicron Brekum, sweet mama tomato paste, yellow donfete. Factory, you are a year. Yes, is it operation? Me call inauguration be from come some agro flowers wa ye tomatoes sweet mama tomato paste from me krom become don't forget enima ye no and this for betimi atena ko hwe akwan the akwan ye no Ghana say no there's no government in the history of Ghana since the inception of Ghana why ye akwan to MPP in terms of even overheads in investment in the rail infrastructure and this phone to be farm to two now Ghana for only near Akonopa Ghana for share Sunday money nyina wia mo bisa say abai ye mano any nurse for no teacher for no motive no e dey na koso ya for over 55,000 nurses teacher for ya form close to 100,000 because of free education and institutions and so.
Okay, so
in my bagana. Okay. Opayi minim say na one now so that I said a bedroom maybe you benya more than 6-7 car assembly plants for Ghana. And ne you Toyota, you no Ghana assemble Ghana say VW Passat, Sinotrack, any other companies are more ever.
Okay.
And so you can when never turn the color TV, Akofa black and white, Oram Hammer. Looking any NDC, looking at a very consistent government, where Yamba Ghana was growing at 3.6. And MPP are buying, you flip question, and the growth of Ghana average around 7%. You have to inflation of 15.9%. You have the buyer by then themselves, and then because of COVID, and then the global supply chain, because what is happening across the world. And the MPP are buying there. And this is for almost 4 months today. Almost 3-4 months today, I could say. And you have been winning the next election.
So, yes, say probably in the next 8 minutes we are wrapping up. There's a lot of your WhatsApp messages about basically 2 p.m. or just without John Mahama, there's no NDC. This is John Mahama's time. This election is not even about money, it's about the realities on the ground.
Yeah, because the realities on the ground, and yeah, that's the reality on the ground. And I can't say less than yeah. And no inflation being a number. We need the next month inflation at from the same way you said dollar and the number 8.5 and I buy enough for my Ekiko 6, the same thing. 7.5. Now you could do I didn't do 8.6. I didn't know. Say 8.5 within about 3 weeks. Now they do 7.5 and a pair. Can we say within the next one? And I can't go for more. Within the next 1 month.
Dog, the reason why
I'm the same common buyer.
You for most more what kind of salmon. No, forget about that. Oh no, you should be happy. No, you should be happy.
Numerous challenges plaguing the country, including unemployment, 1, an economic downturn, 2, and corruption among others.
Just others. So, the kind of corruption that we have in the system now. That is what Obama will lose the election. It's not about bringing Mahama or not. The kind of
corruption Mahama is in.
No, you see in America there, into the big canasam there. You people called Mahama corrupt, but you people when you came to power within 4 years, you made Mahama look like a saint.
Who told you?
Oh. The kind of thievery and stealing that is going on.
Airbus,
you see,
super solution. Any event is RG in some
let me talk. You can come and talk.
Which I need to go and check. You see. Mahama was the evil, but when they came to power, he's now the saint.
No, but they painted him as the evil. But when they came to power, we gave them power, no. Now, ring the Mahama till so.
Saint Mahama.
One time for your mind. You see what is happening now, Master. You see. Neighbor, you were calling info solution. You are doing this thing. Master, info solution and everything, put them all together. One PDS, kill them all.
The PDS one is PDS.
No, PDS. A lot is in PDS. A lot is in PDS.
Master, that PDS thing.
That thing has been cancelled.
No, but it has been cancelled. Have they really?
Doctor, I say you just don't say it has been cancelled for cancelling.
What are you talking about? Cancelled. Don't worry. Just say I'm gonna move to do that. What's that? Punch you and go there. Since I don't to do move back at but definitely it will go off. Let me tell you one funny thing. You see, look, MPP for my minimum hono. What's the year in this football and schedule? What discuss more fair?
Wow.
I just say what
one the casa. Oh, one now come once more. One now come once more. Be a no casa. Oh, Mister Be a casa. One now come once more. Propaganda. No, propaganda. This is not propaganda. What organize or moko fan? Moko here come by no him no here no kofa organize or by propaganda.
No, me by propaganda. Me propaganda. Me if I don't know about that thing I won't talk. Look, you should know. Maybe for all you know, maybe for all you know, I have even more friends in your party than you yourself.
It's possible.
Yes, they talk.
They talk.
What times do we find ourselves in as a country?
No, we find ourselves in a country where now every little thing they will blame it on Uncle COVID. Uncle COVID, wherever you are, I salute you. I breath. Because look, even Obi Prompa was a COVID in about why? Because we were made to understand that from 2019, the economy started going on a downward spiral.
No, that's not true.
No,
the numbers are there.
Boss. True. Your highest growth ever was 2017. And the 2017 growth, it was because when did your budget come to pass? Thank you. Because your budget was passed even after the first quarter. In the channel, there were programs down there. You people were just continuing it. You know, Mama, you grow at some level. From 2017, one budget, there you sow the seed from 2017, over reap in 2018. From 2018, it dropped. 2019, it started going down. Into COVID, yes, came. COVID, no, definitely. But because COVID, Sika or back COVID, because of COVID, what they pay. How do you, why do you think there? Yes, but when you see, boss, tell you. IMF, World Bank, what's there? We are debt distressed. That is why they call that money emergency fund.
We were debt distress. Or say yes, it can because of COVID. Master. Because your revenue should perform. Yeah, the lockdown.
And the papa be na na boda fusu no your man fans no fans na your fans it is time e da mama na time no me can we are wrapping up also what we no am one they should be in their lane whatever, but if you are somewhere, you see the international ratings of corruption in our worst ratings is their best.
Okay, so that tells you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Dr. Fairness,